Now, I have not been paid out yet by Top Step.
Hmm.
I literally keep passing the combines and then I blow the express funded. And then I pass the combine and then I blow the express funded. So I'm
Because
like,
you're making too much or hitting past the goal.
no, I get kind of frustrated and I just go really large and it blows it. So I'll like put in the
Oh,
maximum, it'll let me go and it'll go boop minus 4,500, close the whole thing, start the combine over.
oh,
And
okay,
I'm like,
okay.
oh, I'm like, alrighty then.
Damn it.
I get tired, it's my own fault because I'm pushing the
Well,
envelope too hard, just trying to push through it. And you're not supposed to do that. It's supposed to be just like you're trading in real life, right? You should just be nice small positions, taking the money, not trying to push the envelope. You don't need to get all crazy. I've been passing their combines every time in 2 days. So you already know I'm pushing it as hard as I can, right? I'm
yeah,
maxing out their profits every single day. So it's pretty easy to pop the system when you do that.
I've been hitting in mine. First day I hit 1700, and every day since then,
Yep.
I've been at 1696, 1686. So I'm using take profits to make sure that I
Oh, right.
don't
Yeah,
go
yeah.
ham on
Right.
it.
Yeah, yeah. And I'm going to trade this live tonight too. So my goal is after I set this up and walk everybody through how this is done, I'm going to be trading this live. Now, let's see. YouTube is up. Make sure Twitch is up. Now, I'm not an affiliate partner with them, so I'm obviously not making any money even talking about them. This does mean nothing. I'm just showing everybody right what you can do with this system. So,
Hmm.
give me 1 second.
I think it's pretty sweet. Playing with it for the last couple of days or last week actually. I think this is day 5 for me, or
Yep.
session period 5. Um, yeah, it's really smooth. I like it.
Yeah, I like it. And the fact that, because I was already trading with Trading View, I was already using that anyways, just connected to my Weeble account for prop or for,
Yeah,
not prop, for futures. So I already liked doing that. So the fact that this Top Step X is completely built into TraderView, I'm like, that's awesome, right? It's already, the system's
yeah.
already integrated. So,
I've been training in TradingView because of Mark, not as a blaming him, but because he uses TradingView, and
yep.
when he started training in futures.
Right.
So I've been doing that for 2.5 months.
Yep.
So it's a natural progression for me.
Yeah.
I dig it.
Yeah, absolutely. And our trading view indicators are on trading view, so it's
Hmm.
it's a no brainer. You're looking at it all day, every day, anyways.
Yeah, I did a little bit of training on it this week. Mark asked me
There we go.
to talk about it and run some people through it. He wanted me to run to create an account. I'm like, I'm not going to do that.
Yep.
You can do that, but I'm not going to do that.
Yeah,
But I,
I'm hoping that we're going to get some accounts as part of our affiliate partner program. So
okay,
if we do, I'll definitely make sure Mark gets one to start so he can trade live in front of everybody. That's the next thing we're doing, by the way, is I want him physically trading live. And because it'll be a prop firm, he doesn't have to worry about, actual P&L. So I don't have to worry about
sure,
him worrying about losing money. So,
absolutely, that's a
yep.
great idea. And I've only got one of the little 50K accounts
Yep.
that I'm going to go live with next week. I'm going to finish out the week and practice, and then I think I like the one thing I really like about it is the analytics.
Right.
For me as a new trader, that is a really cool thing for me to be able to do because it's like a live journal.
Yeah, for sure. Yep. Yep. I really like that too. Let's see. So everybody that's tuning in tonight, I'm going to be trading live a prop firm account. I am also going to train you on how you guys can use copy trading. Now, tonight we will be using Top Step. I am not a partner. I'm working on that with them to see if we can become an affiliate partner with them, but they are not associated with us at all. I'm not making any money. There is no affiliate program. I'm not getting paid to do this. This is not sponsored in any way. I just want to show you guys because I've been testing all these different prop firms. on how you guys can do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a live account in front of all of you with a real account. I'm going to buy it, set it up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to copy trade. So give me just a moment. What I'm doing behind the scenes right now is I'm actually going to go buy a combine, make sure it doesn't have like my personal information in there, right? Because I'm streaming this. And if as
You
long
know
as
how to
it,
hide that, right, Coach?
what's that?
It's in the settings.
No, no, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I've
You can
got
hide
like
all
the
that.
accounts down here hidden, but I don't know. There's not going to be a way to do that during the purchase process. I want people to see how this is actually done in real time with a real account. So we're going to do that now. So give me 1 second. Let me buy another one on the back end. Make sure it doesn't show anything, and then as long as it's legit, I'm going to do it live in front of you. So give me 1 second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be copy trading 550K accounts, which is the largest you can get and the maximum amount you can get. Okay, good. Doesn't really show anything here. Okay, good.
Coach, are you recording?
Yes, we are recording. Yep. Okay, understand all the programs. I agree. Okay, let me make sure it doesn't show anything.
Hey, Coach, you want to make somebody co-host?
All right, let's, okay, hold on. Give me 1 second. Yeah, I'm going to make all of you co-hosts. There you go. There you go. There you go. Man, we got a lot of moderators in here. What in the heck? This is a moderator. We have as many moderators as we do members in here tonight. Nice. That's a good ratio.
Love it.
Guys, get out of line, man. There's a lot of moderators to tune you up.
Right.
Everybody better
no
be
jerking
cool.
around tonight.
Yeah, everybody better be cool. Get smoked. Get the hammer. All right.
It's learning time, not
That's
around
right.
time.
That's right. I see I got all the chats up. Okay. So I just bought that. It looks like I can do this. Obviously, you guys are going to see like an account number. I'm not really, I don't care about that. These are combine accounts. I don't care. All right. So let's do this. I don't think I've ever seen this in real time from anybody ever. So this will be a first. So bear with me. I have never seen anybody stream this before. So this will be a good learning situation for everybody.
I did it on Wednesday for training.
Yep. But this will be a real live buying all the combines. Nobody's ever done. I've never seen this live before. Ever.
I haven't done that part
Yeah,
yet.
no, never. I've never seen it. So this will be cool. All right, you guys. This is what it looks like. This is behind the scenes. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Start a Trading Combine. Let me mute all these mics. We are now in training mode. If you guys have a question, raise your hand. Moderators, keep all the microphones muted if you would, please. Thank you. So again, this is Top Steps program. They call it a combine. There are a lot of different ones you can use. We are not affiliated with them yet. We are working on an affiliate partnership with them. I do not get paid any fees. This is not a sponsored ad. I just want to walk you guys through what this looks like. Hold off any and all prop firm questions until I say, do you have any questions? So right here, you guys can see there's a 50, 100, and 150K. The 150K, of course, is the largest. That's the one that I'm going to be doing. You can see that the profit target to meet is 3,000, 6,000, and 9,000. What that means is that Top Step uses a 50% consistency rule and a 2-day minimum, meaning you have to have, if you are planning on doing it in 2 days, then you have to meet that 50% consistency rule, meaning you can't be over 50% of any day's trade for the other one. Oh, sorry, hold on. My Zoom is not sharing this. Hold on. All right, you guys can see it now. So anyways, you have that 50% consistency rule, which means you cannot go over that. So what I've done to pass it every single time is I get up to about 4,350, 4,400 on my first day. Second day, of course, I get up to 9,000, which is required, and then I pass it. All right. This is how it's done. And you must do the same on the 50, the 100, and the 150K. So this is the first part, is getting through the combine. After you pass the combine, they move you into an express funded account, and that's where you can actually start to make real money. But the whole purpose of this that I wanted to show you guys tonight is to walk you through how to purchase this. So what you do is you're going to select the combine that you want. You choose the platform, and you do have to choose this right out of the gate. You can see they have a lot of different platforms. I happen to like the Top Step X. The only reason is because it's using an interface that goes over TradingView, and as all of you in here should know by now, we use TradingView every single day with our 2-minute EWOs. So I'm going to click Next. I'm going to acknowledge, make sure you read through and acknowledge everything here. You can pay by PayPal or a credit card. I'm going to click the complete purchase. I have to agree to all the things. Accept. And there is my live account. I'm not adding any data subscription. So as you can see, now I have a live account. You can see that I bought 3 of them. I'm going to buy 2 more because I'm going to copy trade. They allow you to have up to 5 active accounts. Once you go from combine to express funded, you can still carry the 5. But as soon as they move you into what's called a live account, you can only have 1. They combine all of them into 1 account. At that time, they'll ask you if you want to take money out, what you want to do with it, but then you're only allowed 1. But during these first 2 steps, you are allowed to have 5. So let me walk you through the process again. Start a combine, selecting the 150K, choosing Top Step X, agreeing. Now this is a monthly recurring. So what will happen is if I leave this open and I don't blow the account, I will then get charged again next month and it will reset the account. Okay, so every month it can automatically reset the account. Okay, so that should now be 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I will add 1 more combine. I'm waiting for my bank to be like, is this fraud? Why are you buying $149 87 times, right? There it is again. Boom. Now we have 5 right here. You can see we now have 5 accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, I have not been working with them long enough to actually go in and take money from these accounts. I keep popping the accounts. I keep getting funded, express funded, and then I blow the account. As you can see right here, pass, 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 right? And then coach gets stupid and blows the account. So don't do that. I don't recommend that, right? So, okay, so now you can see this is the front part. And as soon as I click Launch Top Step X, it will take me over to the other side. Now, I want you guys to look at this screen. Reach and maintain the $9,000 profit target. Best day cannot be greater than 50% of your total profits. Do not let your account's balance go below 145.5. So this has what's called a daily drawdown limit. You are not allowed to go below this 145.5. Now, during the combine, you are allowed to trade up to 15 contracts of anything that they allow. NQ, ES, gold, copper, whatever they allow inside of their platform, up to 15. Once you get into an express funded account, that no longer can happen. They have what's called a scaling rule. So up to you making the first $1,500 in the first day, and it doesn't go up after you pass 1,500 in the same day. You got to wait for the next day before it all registers. You're only allowed to trade with 3. So as you scale up in how much you've made, they allow you to add more contracts. But in the beginning, with the express funded, which is after you pass the combine, you are limited. But in this, they don't mind if you go up to 15. Why? Because if you're using 15, most likely you will blow your account. Just like this. and they'll get $149 every time you do that. And if you are linking all of them, which I'm going to walk you all through, well, guess what? You're going to blow 5 of them just like that. $750 a whack, right? So don't do that. And yes, these were all legit. I just bought all these. Again, we're not a partner. These are all real cash. 150 times 5, right? That's $750 right there that costed. So they have those 50Ks, which I would recommend you start with. They're much cheaper. I don't know what the cost was. I can't remember, but it's on the screen. You guys can go back and watch the replays. Now, before I thought of this genius idea of showing everybody how to do this, let me flip my screen. Hold on one moment. I already made one trade today, which I shouldn't have. It was literally just before I went live. And then I said, hey, you know what? This would be a great learning moment. So hold on one moment. Let me flip my screen. Okay. So you can see, everybody can see my Top Step X screen now. Yes. Live, let me know by typing in a 1. Zoom, let me know by opening your microphones and saying yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. So you guys can see now that I've got those 5 accounts. This, of course, is the trade that I just made, which I should have waited. So now one of my accounts is going to be off. Now let me show everybody in here how to copy trade. What do I mean by that? What it means is I'm going to use one account being the master primary account. Any trade I make, it will copy the trade into the other 4 accounts. Okay. So if I click buy on one, it will be buy on the rest. All right. So now there could be some lag time in between them all when you do copy trading. So all of them might not be exactly the same. So make sure you understand that. You'll see that some of their P&Ls will be off a little bit. Well, that's because it's trying to funnel through all of them, and all of them have to make an order, buy and sell, and etc. So what you need to do is, after you're inside of the screen, and don't worry, I'll walk you guys through how to set up some indicators and stuff like that. But right here, if we go to settings, copy trading, we're going to make one the lead account. We're going to make one the lead account. Let me look at the one that I was using right here. I don't have an account number on it. All right. So let me just grab anyone. It doesn't really matter. So what I'm going to do here is go to copy trading. I'm going to choose a lead account. Just pick one. You will now see that there are my other accounts listed here. You can have up to 5 total. Remember, 1 is the main. The other 4 we will copy. I'm going to click Save Changes. These are all copying each other now. Here's a pro tip I have for you. If you don't want to blow your accounts up and be crazy and, run through a bunch of money, click on risk settings. In here, you could set up specific rules about how much maximum you are allowed to lose per day and then tell it to shut it down. Okay. In this case, if I said, hey, I don't want to lose more than $1,500, because remember, my drawdown is 45. I cannot lose more than 4,500. So what I could do here is I could say 1,500, 1,500 here. I could say liquidate and block. What that means is once it gets to $1,500, it's going to actually sell any trade I'm in, which means liquidate, block my account the rest of the day, and I'm done. It will literally not let me back in here until the next day. I cannot make any trades. So those of you that cannot control yourselves, this will do it for you. This is a little pro tip for you. You can also enable the trailing, so it will follow you as you grow, right? So say you made 1,500 and now you want that to be the reset balance, so you don't have 1,500 and then you could have lost the 15, which in total would be now 3K. So this will follow you, okay? The other thing you can do right here is you can click set lockout. So if you're like, I'm not trading anymore and you don't want to be able to walk in and go, oh, I'll just make one more trade. Click that set lockout. Boom, you're done. Okay, that's going to save you. So something cool you can do. All right, let's go back in here. Real quick, I'm going to show you guys now how to set up all of these goodies. So if you click here on indicators, you can see we've got moving average, which we use, VWAP, which we use, EMA, which we'll use. So we'll put all those in there. Once you put them in there on your screen, go to settings and make sure you have it set exactly the way you want. All right. So you can see here what it looks like if you want labels, which I don't need at all. Don't need the values either. But I want this to actually show up brighter on my screen. Okay, it should look like this. Same thing here. I can run through every single one of them. Here's VWAP. Okay, I can look at the way it's set up. I don't need any of this on my screen. Anything that you want, any way that you want this to be set up, you can have this, okay? So whatever you want it to look like, however you want it to act, this is what you will do with it. All right, just same thing with all my EMAs. Okay, you can make them any color. You can do anything you want with them. Let's see. You can see I've changed it there. Yep. Okay, so what I'll do is, just like I have on my regular screen, is I'm going to make my EMA 9 white because that's what I always trade on. Then I'm going to make my 200 blue. There we go. Because as you guys know, right, I'm always scalping and training you how to scalp off the 9, the 21, the 55, etc. But typically off the 9 and 21, this is what it will look like. So this is now a live trade account with 5 accounts, 4 copied to the main, and now you are all set up and ready to go. Over here, of course, I can buy market, sell market. This is my quantity that I want to use over here. Flatten all, of course, means sell, get rid of all of them. Once I have bought into a position, and I want to show you guys a live trade here real quick, but once I get into a position, let me go to minis just so I don't lose a bunch of money while I'm training you, because this is real, right? $750 account. But let me show you. Remember, it's copy and across. You will see all of these change, okay? So here we go. I'm going to set up. We're on the 9.
Order filled.
I'll buy one off the 9. Now look down here on the bottom. Does everybody see them all lit up? You see how I copied it across the board? Now I can put in my stops by dragging this order. There's my stop loss. There's my take profit. And now you guys can see all of this is happening in real time. Everybody see it? That's a real trade. Just like that. If I want to close the order,
Order filled.
can click the X, boom, shuts the whole thing down. Now you guys can all see my P&L. See it right here? Just
Yes,
like
sir.
that. All right. Let's get ready to rock and roll. We're going to do some live trading. We're going to have some fun. That is the end of that training session. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I've never done that live. I was scared it was going to like show credit card information and personal stuff. And so we got
That was
through it.
cool, Coach. That was really cool.
Yeah. All right. So this is a legitimate account. Let's get into some trading. Let's have some fun. Looks like we're going to the upside here off that bounce off the 9. This is the trade that I was making off that move. You guys can now open your mics, hang out, have fun, do the things. Don't worry about it anymore. Training session is over. Moderators, you want to mark done at 8:43. That is going to be some huge prop firm setup, training, all sorts of good stuff in there. Thank you. By the way, I've also got my face cam going so you guys can use that media team. Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I'm going to be answering questions and doing stuff over here on the side. So listen, you guys can leave the mics open. Just don't be crazy. If you guys want to talk, we're all in here hanging out. This is not like coach is the only one who can talk. This is free time, man. Do whatever the hell you want in here. So rock and roll.
I do have a quick question for you, Coach.
Yep.
Order filled.
You mentioned that the the amount that you paid, the $750, is recurring. I thought through my research that once you pass the combine and you get to express funded,
It
it's
will
not
not
a
charge you.
monthly.
Yeah, it won't charge you
Yeah.
anymore. Once
Order
you
filled.
Yep, once you make it to that level, it will no longer charge you. That's correct.
Yeah, and then their cut, your first 10K out of each account, at least for my level, is 100%, and then it's 90-10 after that.
Yeah, I never
And
got in.
that's really how they make their money, right?
Yeah, but they make all their money from everybody blowing the accounts. Yeah, they'll make all their money. Everybody will blow their accounts. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how it'll be done. Think about it. The average Joe that comes in here is not passing these combines in 2 days, right? They'll blow 100 of these damn accounts before they will pass this, and then they'll blow 1 million express funded accounts, and then they'll finally get funded, right? Let's be honest, because
Oh, okay. All right.
yeah, nobody has a mentor, nobody's at American Dream Trading, nobody's following any rules, nobody has any risk management, nobody knows what the hell they're doing. They're just going to buy this stuff, click a bunch of things, give them all their money. That's how they make all their money.
Yeah. I mean, in the last 4 days, I could have passed it twice.
Yeah, it's legit. That's why I like it. I kind of like the gamification part of it is what I like. I like just trying to pass their test. To me, that's
Yeah.
the most fun is just doing the combine. That's why I do it in 2 days because it's pretty much unheard of, by the way, the 2 days passing top step with 150K accounts. It usually never happens. That's why I like doing it because it's like nobody does it. All right, right here. So I'm going to trade this live, everybody. Tradey trade. Thank you. We're all sitting on the 9.
That's a good setup. I like that.
Yeah, waiting to see if this is going to drop down to this 21 or not. Otherwise, you should just get a pop. Oh, yeah. You can see that's clearly below there now.
Order
There it
filled.
is.
See if it can sit there. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it right above in case it pops off that move. And if it does, I've already got my stop in place. I don't like the way it's sitting here. So that's the only
solid.
problem with trading at night. I am so used to this.
I know it.
I'm like, oh my gosh.
That's why I was doing some training in chat. I was like, I might as well just do some charting and get people engaged.
So I'm going to speed it up just because my brain, I can't handle the slowness of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys. We're going to go to the big table here in a second. So this is 10 contracts times 5. You can see there it went. You can see the P&L. All right, let's speed this up. That's about enough of my attention span. All right, we're going to the NQs.
Oh dear.
Yep, NQs move much faster. Just because, just because there's more room to go here. Now I'm going to go smaller on these until I get a feel for it. But watch the difference. When these bleed and pop, they go nutso land.
Order filled.
All right, now I'm going to do 3 and see what it looks like. NQs, don't you dare not have a stop loss on NQs, by the way. I have seen these things just rip people's souls out. Even if it's a giant stop, just for something, right? It's the soul wrecker.
Order filled.
I toyed with it a little bit, and
this is still heavy. This is still really heavy.
Order filled.
Let me see if we can get some real weight down here. I mean, look at that. That stop loss right there. That's $1,300 stop loss. Did you see it?
Mm-hmm.
There it goes. Boom.
Order filled.
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Oh, Billy.
Now, right here, we're bouncing off the 21. Now, if I should have scooped that bounce right here, but it's going to take me a minute, but you guys will see that obviously this is a real count. You can see all the stuff happening down here.
Coach, you got out using that market order on the right. It was so fast, we just couldn't see.
I clicked the X. I don't even go to this market order. I click the X on this chart.
I like that.
Yep,
wow, I like that a lot.
Yeah, so much faster than trying to get over here, right?
It's like trading view. Yes, thank you.
Yep. All right, so right here. So now we're below the 9, sitting on the 21. So I saw the bounce that came up here. Little heavy here though. Let me I haven't even charted this. I mean, I'm literally right now trading candles. Yeah, which I'll do for a minute. This is why I tell you guys, I don't need an L2. You can take your VWAP, MAs, you can take all that. I don't give a shit. Take it all. Take it all. It just helps to see it all, but I don't need all that.
I've been trading structure a lot lately too.
Yeah, that's I mean, I'm always I don't need all that. All right, watching here. Right here, we're starting to get a pop. But if you guys look at this, you see how this is still heavy and it can't break the spot? Let me show you guys. Now, obviously, I'm going to be talking to you guys. So it'll be a little different than me actually trading it fully. But you can see right here, this is resistance. So if I pop this level, I'll go long.
I'm here. I made it.
Sitting on the 9. But I like this now to the upside only if it can break this level. You guys see it?
Mm-hmm.
Resistance is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times in a row. So I could trade the short off the top or wait for the break here to go long. But since my 21 and 9 is so close here, I don't have a lot of meat to the downside. So I don't really love this trade until I get under the 21 or I get back up into this space. So that's that waiting for the A+ setup, right? Now, if I can get up in there, right
Order
there,
filled.
I'm in it.
Order filled.
Took it. Just tapped right there on support. Stays up here. I'm going to long it again.
All market orders in and out, coach?
Yes, sir. Always. Now it came down, touched resist or touched support, popped back up, but I want to see it drive here. Now what I could do is, and this is what I recommend for all of you, right? Put in
Order
1,
filled.
put in a little tiny baby, set your stop, right? This should look like this. This is what yours should look like. Have it below the 9. So this is a $100 risk, waiting for the move to break above what I paid. Then we'll move the stop back up to it, above what I paid, cover my fees. But this is what your trade should look like. I'm covered below the 9 in case it pulls back. It's a $100 risk, right?
Yeah, Coach, you have a break-even button you can click once it hits green. You don't even have to move your stop if you wanted to.
Oh, is that right?
Unless you're going to
nice.
chase it.
Nice. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm so used to just grabbing it manually, putting it there.
Yeah, you should see the BE up in
up
just
here?
above those buttons. No, by your buy sell buttons.
Oh, over here?
Yeah, should be a BE in there somewhere.
All right, I'll look for it.
Coach, does a trading view have something like that too to trade with?
This is TradingView. It's just their program on top of it. All right, here we go. Yeah, right here I see a BE. I
Yep.
saw it lit up right there. Yep.
Yeah, that's a cool feature they just added.
Yeah, I like that. So now look at this. This did not pop, but look at what it did. Do you guys see how it all came down, touched the 9, and popped back up? Do you see why my stop is below the 9 and not at the 9? Because if it was at the 9, I would already got stopped out, right? You got to give it a little bit of room. If it breaks through this, I'm going to go to the downside because then it's going to want
Order
to, there it
filled.
goes. It's going to want to come to the 21 now. Oh, it didn't. It touched the 9 again. So that tells me give it a little more room off the 9. But now I can see that it popped. It wants to go long, which I like.
What's the ATR right now, you think?
I have no
on this
idea.
one?
I have no idea. All right, so we're waiting for the next setup of the trade. Yeah, I like it here. It's setting up long. This is good.
Which the ATR doesn't matter as much on futures, right?
Yeah, I don't care about the ATR and futures at all. Yep.
I didn't think so.
Yeah, it's shares only. All right, right here. See how it touched it again? But I don't like the way it's staying here. So now I want to see it come to this 21. But look at the 9 creeping up again. But it's down, down, down. We'll see if this gets a pop. Look how slow this is. Boy, you could fall asleep doing this at night.
I know it.
Got them ass cheeks.
Goodness gracious. Still, you know, the good thing about it, though, is that because it's so slow, calm, and reserved,
Order filled.
because it's so slow, calm, and reserved, it's so much, you know, smoother sailing. Like it isn't all like, you know, you guys are, especially when you guys are starting out because the movements are so slow. Now, I know there's long candles in NQ, hence why I'm trading it, but
Order filled.
And you just said in chat that being slow like this teaches you patience.
it does. Oh, I just clicked that break even and it actually sold it at break even. I thought it was going to move my stop to break even. It actually sold at break even. Okay. So I do have to manually move my stop. Did you guys see what I meant though about it pulling down to this 21? Does everybody catch what I meant now?
Yeah.
Hey, Coach, I think
That's
it's just timing thing because break even should move it to the.
Yeah, did you see what it Oh, yeah,
It
maybe you're
did. I
right.
think it's just the wick caught you
Yeah.
or something.
Yeah, I think
yeah.
I think you're right. All right, right here.
Order filled.
I got wow, that's a terrible fill.
Order filled.
Oh. I was going to say I need to cover under this 21. If this breaks this 21, oh yeah.
Order filled.
See if we can sit down in there.
Order filled.
Maximum right there, 15. Now this is what I was talking about. Now look at this is what I was saying because I love to go so big. It's so easy to pop an account. It's like, you know, one move like whoopsie. That's why you got to be very careful if you go in large because it will go against you so fast.
I've only been doing 1 in 3 contracts and it's working really well.
Yep. That's what you should be doing. That's what I train, right?
Now the big boys or micros?
These are the big boys. This is the largest of the
Yeah.
largest you can do. This is the absolute largest ceiling, biggest.
I just wonder what Doug was doing.
Minis.
Oh, no, he's
Minis, okay.
micros. You're doing micros, right? Oh, you're doing minis now 'cause you're
No.
doing thousands. Yep.
Yep. I'm doing minis on prop. If it was real money, I'd do micros.
No, this is live. Somebody just asked, is this live or recording? No, this is live. I'm doing it now in front of you live.
Coach, will that break even button be on our regular trading views? Have you seen it before?
No, not that I'm aware of. Anybody else? I haven't seen it.
No, it is not. And
Okay.
the thing about that, like if I might, coach,
Yep.
they have a community. This is built by traders for traders. So they have a community where you
Order
can actually
filled.
vote on improvements to the platform. And the break even button was an improvement that a lot of traders wanted.
Oh.
Order filled.
Oh, Billy.
Oh,
Look at
that is
this.
beautiful.
Billy.
So what they did is they coded it in because a lot of the traders, you have the ability to community vote on the ones that you want to see. And that lets the developers actually focus their developing time on improvements that traders want.
This is a bad position I'm at. What are you trading right now? I'm trading futures. Yeah, this is a bad spot I'm at. Come on, we gotta go lower than this.
Is this a 1 minute AWO?
This is a 1 minute scalp. Yep.
That break even gives us the free trade, Coach, that you taught us how to do all forever.
Yep, absolutely. And just remember, now I don't know if it's break even, you're still gonna get hit with fees. So I always try to go one tick past break even to cover my fees, right?
So the way that one works, coach, is it actually covers your fees, so you have zero risk.
Oh, I got you. Okay, I just did
but
it.
It only
filled.
covers your fees.
I got it. I just used it. Yep. Okay. I'll work with it. All right, gang. Here we are. We're live trading still. So let's get our trade on.
All right, hammer time.
But everybody see why up here I liked this to the downside, and as soon as we broke that 21, that was where we hammer here. Love that. Yes, I'm always scalping on the 1 minute. I will never scalp on anything else. It's 30 seconds or 1 minute. Yep. Everybody else, should be trading or watching the charts. You can see all of them are down $700. The only reason this one's not is because I had already made a trade before I joined all these. So you can see they're all in unison. They're very close, but they can be off. All right, this is a nice bleed out.
Order filled.
Still bleeding. I'm doing 5 at a time, which is anywhere between $200 to $700 risk, basically based on these candles. So think about that. 7 bad trades, and I would blow all of these accounts for $750 loss. 7 bad trades by using 5. And so quick, it can bite you, right? See it? Look at 600. Now what I need to do is I need to go back in time and look at everything and start charting. Typically, I would have this all charted out. I'd have support and resistance levels. I would know where key critical areas are. I'd be watching for double bottoms, double tops, looking for all the things that I train you guys on all day, every single day. But right now, I'm literally just trading off candles. So we still got nice downside momentum, but this can pop back up to retest this 21. If it does, I'll actually enter a couple more. I tell you guys always not to dollar cost average into a losing trade, but as long as I'm staying underneath this area, I don't mind it. I'm actually going to add some here in a second. I wanted a little bit more pop to the upside, and then I would add here. Man, this is slow. Have to do 100 contracts so I can see some movement. And this is the largest there is in the market. Like, you can't trade anything larger than this. Killjoy, no, I've been doing this for 33 years. Yep. And by the way, I've trained now the most profitable and the most successful traders the world has ever seen in history. Just so we're all on the same page here, if you guys are just now tuning in. I have traders making more money than any traders in history. That sounds pretty neat, doesn't it, when you say it like that? Because I've already looked. There's nobody makes what our traders make. I'm going to add up here if it stays up on this 9. You can see supports right here. This is why I said this. I'm in such a bad spot. I'm actually in on support. Yeah, I had another member tell me this morning he just hit his $10 million mark in profits. Not prop firm, not fake accounts, the real deal.
Order filled.
I'm actually going to get in on this because it is still respecting this 9. I can move this down now because the 21 and the 9 are coming down here. See how it's respecting the 9 here? There it goes. Getting a nice flush. Keep coming. Nice. Nice.
Order filled.
Take it. 700. That was 10 contracts.
Look at the chasm underneath where that is right now.
Oh, I know it. And I wanted it to come
It's
down there.
gorgeous.
Yeah, I wanted it to gap down to it, but you can see how fast it got bought right back up. Yeah, and it's all coming off of this candle right here. See it? This is funny. You know what? This is the first time I've ever actually seen anybody at night trading a real account in front of people. Isn't that hilarious? I see people all the time staring at the screen like this at night and not doing anything. This is the first time a real live trading situation is going on. Does anybody notice that?
They're scared.
The same thing.
Yeah, I've never ever once seen anybody ever trade live in front of people at night. Ever. They just sit here and draw. Well, this could go up or it could possibly go down tomorrow. So we'll have to see. Like, yeah, thanks. That's great. I'm gonna buy your course. You're doing a hell of a job. Is there any, yes, I will. All right, still respecting the 9, still to the downside.
Order filled.
I'm going to use this 21 as my stop. Sorry, I got messaged. Come on, sit down. Sit down right there. Which stock is this? This is NQ for futures. Now, here's the other thing, though. This is kind of scary. Do you guys see how this is getting real tight up here on this 9? This is going to want to pop. Can you guys see this?
That's building strength.
It is, which I don't like, right? But trade the trade. There it goes. Hey, I'll take
Order
it.
Or not.
Yep. That's why I got my stop in there. But yeah, I didn't like this. This consolidation right here. Yeah, definitely. Oh, this is nice. It wants to go more.
It's going to bleed.
Yeah,
now,
it's going to
Coach.
the gap. It's going to the gap. That's so nice. It's like taking candy from a baby. That was a $700 trade.
Been doing this stuff all week. It's so smooth.
Yeah, it's nice. If you guys are enjoying what we're doing here, why are we shorting here, Unc? Because this is, you can see that it topped out heavy up here at this 19,417.50, which I had marked as an area of resistance, which is a double top pullback. Got back below down on the 9 and now the 21. So it's respecting those key levels to the downside on the EMA. And then we just got our gap down here to previous level of resistance, which is now support at 19,392.25, in case you really wanted to know. And now you know. Thank you. Thank you all for being here. You guys can join us. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Click on pricing or just scroll down. Join the Discord for free. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market, futures, crypto, and options community on planet Earth. We have trained over 1 million people as featured over on FortuneInc.com. Appreciate you. Thank you for that. So make sure you guys head on over. We lead in sales and service in our industry, which we take great pride in. We have more people assisting you than anywhere else you could ever go. Yes, you can paper trade NQs. Yep, you can paper trade all this. But I mean, honestly, this is basically like paper trading to me because this is a combine, which is a prop firm, right? Even though I've paid money to be a part of this combine, to me, all right, here goes the pop. So right here, if we go long on this, I want you guys, right? I would want my stop to be below down here, but I've got to wait. I need confirmation to the upside that it's going to sustain this to the upside, meaning I need another candle or another big drive up here above the 21. Otherwise, still, we're moving to the downside. Hold on. As you can see here, we're still trending down, 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 down. So I want a nice pop up in here. We get a nice area up here, I'll long it. We get down, back down below here, I will short it. What's wrong, Bobby Anderson? You want to learn? I know this isn't the typical watching the little kids at night and don't know what the hell they're doing, right? This is you've entered the real octagon, my friend. Thank you for being here. Thank you for those gifts. Appreciate it. Holy crap, moderators. Look how many people are watching us on TikTok.
They're hooked, Coach.
Yeah. 220 people at night, at 9 o'clock at freaking night. What the hell have I tapped into? What kind of craziness is this, man? You know what it is? People are starving for real training, and they're not getting that shit from these little TikToddlers and YouTubers. Am I right? They are starving.
They're tired of watching the crypto kitties.
They are. They are. The kids just drawing a line. Oh, let me talk about this stock, and then they don't do shit. Yeah, that's great. Yeah, double tap that screen. Thank you. Appreciate you all. Hey, what's happening, Australia? We have a lot of people from Australia here. That's awesome. Thank you. Now, right here, I do like this up in this area. Do you guys see how this is moving up here now? And like I said, it started to squeeze up here, so I'm starting to like this more to the upside now at this point.
Order filled.
I'm actually going to go in a really tiny, small amount. I'll take it. $100. I might just quick. Why? Because right here is resistance. Literally 19,410.
I was just going to say, me personally, I wait for the break and hold above that.
Yep. Well, just watch me, and I'll let you know what to do. How's that sound?
Order filled.
I love it.
Thank you. But yes, like I said, I like it up here. It was getting this nice squeeze here. We hit the 9 and the 21. Boom, there's your pop. I'll take
Order
it.
Filled.
Beautiful. Beautiful setup. Nice move. I love it here. We got the squeeze, broke the trend, broke above, got confirmation. Let's make that money up. $450. Oh, one account is up 1,120. So if you times that by 5, we're up, what, $3,000 so far? Very nice. Very, very nice. What's the average capital allocation per contract with these after hours? All right, now listen. If I was trading a regular account, I believe the requirements is $20,000 for NQ, where it's only like $1,200 during regular market hours. But if I was trading this, somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's $20,000 per contract at night after hours.
I think you're close, Coach.
Yep.
ES is like 16 or something.
Correct. Yeah, NQ's, it's absolutely ridiculous. I wouldn't expect you guys to be doing this. Now, remember, again, this is a prop account off of Top Step using a combine, okay? So that's what's giving this. Even though it's 150K accounts times 5, because I have 5 of them copy trading. If you guys were here earlier, I taught you all how to do this, and I did it live in front of all of you. The whole entire purchase process, I walked you through what it meant, what you can do, the next steps for it, where it's going to go, all the things. So we'll have some videos for that. Don't you worry. All right, we're up here again. I want to see if this can break now up here above 19,417.50. So what I'll say is 417.50 up here. Now remember, at any time, if I wanted to, I could settle it down. We could trade ES, we could trade gold, we could trade oil. So whatever you guys are interested in, we could do it. Doesn't really matter to me. I don't give a crap what it is. I can trade. I don't care. I could trade anything. Put anything in front of me with a chart and we can trade it. I don't give a crap. What does somebody want to trade? We'll trade it right now. Tell me. Give me something. Go. Let's go.
Gold is looking good, Coach.
All right, I'm on it. Let's trade gold. Give me 1 second. Silver and, oh, this is nice to the upside. All right, hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Oh, I like it. Oh, Billy. Bam! Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, just setting it all up. Nice. Takes me a little bit longer on here because I don't have all the handy dandy tools that I have. Oh, yeah, we're at new highs, so that makes sense. All right, let's do it. So this will be a little bit harder, obviously, because right now we don't have any resistance levels to the upside. So I will trade the candles. Let me move to the candles. Let's trade the candles.
The same keyboard shortcuts work in this one as they do in TV Coach.
Thank you. I know, but I've got, I don't use TV shortcuts. I use Weeble shortcuts, and they're all mapped on my mouse, like horizontal lines and stuff like that. I've got mapped on here. Oh, remember
cool.
somebody asked me, what was it, a month and a half ago, 2 months ago? Coach, do you think gold's going to hit 3,000 this year? You guys remember that? And I said, absolutely. Here we are, 3,000. I know. Hold the applause. Tip your moderators. Thank you. All right, let's trade the candles because we really don't have anything else to go on anyways. So 3,000 obviously being a whole natural number is going to be support and resistance. So make sure you guys mark 3,000. Why? Because it's an even number and people like that. People like that. Let's trade these candles here, though, coming off the 1 minute. You know what? I can break this down. Let me see if I can get us to a 30 second, see if it moves any better. Yep, it does. I like it better. 30-second candles off of gold here. You can see we've got a lot of consolidation going on. This is respecting the 9. It came back here about 9 candles ago, though, and it hit the 21. So what I would do in this case is wait in this consolidation area to tell me what it's going to do. Otherwise, I'm going to wait for the pullback to hit the 21, and then I'll enter my trade. I'm also seeing support right here, which I'm going to use this level right there. Why? Because these two popped up. Then you had an engulfing candle, which pulled back. So right here, I am looking for a pullback to the 21. You can see, though, that it breaks through the 21. So I'm going to give it a little bit of room. Here it comes. Looking for the pullback. Here it comes. A little more. I'm going to add small here.
Order filled.
I just want to see what the movement looks like. Entering small because I'm actually looking more for here. I'm just going to buy real small. I'll enter
Order
one more
filled.
here. Looks good. We're right now close to this 21. I can add a little bit more here.
Order filled.
A minute. Now I've got 5. Move my stop. Got my stop loss in place.
Order filled.
Boom. I'll take $80. It's like taking candy from a baby. Now, because I never trade gold ever, I don't really know how its ebbs and flows are, so I'm just kind of getting a feel for it. But I'm telling you this, ladies and gentlemen, if you can learn how to trade from what I train you on, you can trade anything. I don't give a shit what it is. It can be crypto, options, futures, shares. I don't care. I don't care if I've ever heard of it, seen it, done it. I don't give a shit about that. I'm serious. Right here, this looks good. You see how we got candle up, up, up? Looks good. But again, 3003 is going to be resistance. But I love the way that we're in this consolidation zone. You can see it right here clearly, right? Does this have a triangle? Hold on. Or a box? I think it has a rectangle. Where the hell is my rectangle? Is it in here? Nope. Can you tell how often I chart using this BS? Never. Fibonacci's all over. Oh my gosh. What the hell was that stupid shit? All right, let's see.
Support and resistance, stop it.
I know it. It's like, what the? Oh, crap. I was looking for a rectangle. I'll look for it in a minute. It's probably going to go these shorter longs, though. Am I right? Is that in here? Yeah, right here. All right. So if I'm looking at, yeah, okay, that's how they got it. So right here. Yep. All right. Okay. This is what they're looking at. So if I want to short this, so down here. Okay. All right. There it goes.
Order filled.
Oh, better put this right above the 9. I don't need all this bullshit. Get that shit out of my way. Stop clowning. See how oh, this needs to be a little higher. You don't want to be at the area. You got to let it work a little bit. $300 risk here. If it breaks back down through here on this 3001.8 that I've got set here, I will add. But the way it was coming down, 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 it stayed below 3003 to the downside. Here it comes. There it goes. Come on, baby, a little more. I like
Order
you.
filled.
I missed it. Little
Order
late.
filled.
Little late. Little late. Little late. Little late, coach. Don't be so sloppy. All right. How would you guys like to be inside of my mind when I'm trading? Would you like it? Yeah, you would. And there we go. Right back down to my gap fill at, what did I say? 3,000. Right here. I'm going to see if I'm going to get bounced off this.
Order filled. Order filled.
I broke even, you son of a. Did you guys see the bounce off the 200? Yes.
That was nice.
Yep.
That was nice.
Order filled.
A little late to the party again. Come on, bounce.
Order filled.
It's like taking candy from a baby. Is that funny or what? Gold being aggressive. You guys remember when I had everybody start over here in futures, I said, go hit gold, right? You guys remember? And I said silver for small accounts. Once you graduate from gold, you guys will move into ES. Once you graduate from ES, you will all move to NQ. Thank you. All right. But notice you can make money on any of them. It doesn't matter. Just go by position size, right? If you want it to move faster, add more. You want it to slow down like this, add one. Here we are in support again. Starting to get some consolidation here right now. Off the 200. So I actually like this long, but I want to see it come back to the 200. Here's a little mental test. Try putting your buy order here. I'll actually do it here. Let's see, limit buy 1. Try putting your buy orders at the stop
Order
where you'd normally have your stop limit. Right? Because if you were willing to have it drop to your stop, oh, if this breaks to 200, I'm going to
Order filled.
I'm going to hammer this. If you're willing to let it come down to your stop anyways, like right there, it costed me 20 bucks. But if I was willing to let it come down there anyways, why not set your buy there, right? Am I right? Is this thing on? Hello?
That's right,
Yes.
Coach.
Oh,
Makes
okay.
perfect
Oh, okay.
sense.
All right. Well, I thought I was alone.
Excellent.
I thought I fell asleep and I thought I was in the Matrix. But does that make sense though, gang? Think about it. If you're going to buy it and then you're going to set your, oh, if this pops this here, I'm going to hit it again. Remember, didn't I say 3,000 was the floor? That's support. So it broke above. I could have went long, but I was trying to teach. This was a teachable moment. If you're going to let it come down there, just set your stop or set your buy where you were going to set your stop. Oh, look at this pullback off the 21. All right, now I want to show you guys something here. Where's the drawing tool? Right here. Yeah, cross dot arrow. Is there a, oh, that's just pointers. Where's the drawing? Is there drawing tools? Sorry, bear with me. I never used this.
The brush.
Oh, right here?
in the middle.
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you. Nice. Oh boy. Coach found some tools. We're going to have a lot of fun now. Okay. Do you see right here? You see how it hit that 21 and pulled back? That's great. But the problem is you've also got the 200 right here. Okay. So we don't have a lot of room for this, for me to work inside of here. So now what I'm waiting for is, I want to wait for right here. Let me change this color. That's where I'm going to go short. And again, above up here, right here, this is where I would go long. And I don't want to diddle in the middle. Sure, I could get some downside because you can clearly see right now we're in a downside move, right? You can easily see that. If I hit that trend line, look, boom, 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 right? See that? clearly to the downside. But guess what? I don't have a lot of room. Once I break through 3,000, I got the 200 right here, right? Once I break through the 200, I'm stuck in all this traffic. See it? So I want to clearly wait until I get to this level here or this level here before I'll look at my next entry. I hope that makes sense.
Coach, real quick,
Yep.
you smashed your goal on TikTok, and there's people that would like to donate, but they can't because it's met.
What is it they want to do?
They want to donate, but your donation goal has been met.
Oh, I didn't even know I had a donation goal. Moderators, did you guys set that up? I don't know what that is.
Yeah, Miranda said only Bruno can change that.
Oh yeah,
Really?
I have no idea. Oh, is that what these are?
Mhm.
I sound like a freaking boomer. Hold on. I really, what is that? What do you mean? Click on the clickety click clangety thing. Click it. I don't know. Thank you guys, though. I appreciate it. I'm not worried about that. Listen, all I want you guys to
Okay.
do. Yeah, thank you though. Listen, all I want you guys to do tonight. Just click that follow, click subscribe, go join a free Discord. I know everybody's like free Discord. We have an actual real Discord. This is a real professional run business, okay? So yeah, go over there, join the Discord, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Thank you. Oh yeah, see right here? See what I was talking about? Nice trend line to the downside. It's beautiful. It's respecting that 9. It hit the 21 twice. I don't care. I don't want it. There's not enough meat on the bones. Because if this hits the 200, it can pop right back in your face. So if you guys are trying to get this little tiny scalp, it might not be great for you, right? Now, right there's a bounce off the 20. Again, I could hit the 200 bounce to go long, but the 9's right there. You see how it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter into this space? I don't like it. Mark says I'm offended by that boomer comment. Love it. Love it, love it.
Our boomer trainer is an absolute master scalper.
Yes, Mark.
So don't be offended by the boomer comment.
That's right. Mark is amazing. You can just buy the 10K membership. Yes, you can. That's for the diamond, though. With the diamond membership, it includes all memberships we have, lifetime, and any memberships in the future. Yep. Which includes, by the way, my mentorship program, which is $6,000 a year, which that in itself, I'm going to be honest, is worth the price of admission. You wouldn't believe what they're getting in that mentorship program. All right, right here. Looking for this break. Right here. I want to see this break right here. You can see all this traffic for support. So this is actually a bounce level. I could buy longs here.
Order filled.
Oh, whoa. What kind of, look at the fill. The candle never hit right here. Look. Now, gang, look. Do you see the candle? Did it hit this spot? Gang.
That's the first bad fill I've seen on the platform.
Yeah,
Order
look.
filled.
I mean, it literally never even got there. All right, well, if this goes short, I'm going to hammer this one. Oh, that's so heavy here.
Order filled.
So heavy in this space. But I better protect it because I don't really know how gold moves. I don't need to rip my face off. It's $1,100 risk. We'll see if this can bleed out down back through here. Now, remember, I moved it above the 200 because... There it goes.
Order filled.
Oh, I don't like the way it started moving, so I'll take the quick 300, which looks like it only made 90 bucks. So that last one, though, hit me hard. Now, again, what was the trade? It was below my red level to the downside, and everybody would have made money here, right? Great. This is hilarious. Here's what's even funnier, right? I lived my whole life in IT, so I know pretty much everything there is to know about everything that has to do with anything that is tech related. And I mean everything. AR, VR, robotics, I don't give a shit. I know almost everything there is to know about it because I've lived it, bought it, owned it, tested it, lived it. So that's why I laugh when I'm like, well, what button do I click so I can get the goals? I have goals on everything. I've got goals set up on Twitch. I've got them on YouTube, but I've never done it over here on TikTok. What is the best trading platform to use? Lightspeed. I think Lightspeed's the best, but you pay a huge premium for it. Right here, bleeding out again. Oh, this is a nice setup. Ooh. Bouncing on support. See the support level? Massive bleeder, though. This is support right here, gang. You guys all see this, yes? Let me move this little arrow right there. And right there. That's why this is support. So this is where I would go long with a stop right down here. And there's the little pop, which should drive it back up towards this 9. But because I didn't do it and I'm talking about it, I would wait, but I'd have my stop right down here. And if it bleeds, hammer that thing. This is support, though. You see it all sitting here consolidating now? Oh, look at this.
Order filled.
Gosh, man. Gold moves kind of quick. It's kind of...
It moves really well at night for about 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah, that's... Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, from what, 7 to 10?
Yeah, roughly.
Yep.
Sometimes even 11.
Order filled.
You've got the Asian markets coming in, so that's where your volume's going to come from.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I used to watch for it for crypto all the time. Asian markets always go ham on crypto. All right, right. Look at this. Just keeps bleeding. That's beautiful. Now, again, I want to show you guys something, right? So if I wasn't just sitting here scalping in and out and in and out and all this, remember where I said to short it? Right? There. See it? That red line, remember?
Yeah, perfect call.
So that's where we wanted it. So made all sorts of trades, not really making any money, but kind of having fun doing some stuff. We're just live. It's kind of fun and exciting. At this point, I would just go a little bit larger and let it run a little bit more, only because the movements are so slow. I'm not really making a lot. So I would go a little bit larger, let it run a little bit longer. That's how I would trade it. But yeah, if you hold the first one. Yep, but I'm just doing quick scalps. Absolutely. Appreciate all of you being here, by the way. 254 people here. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm trading gold in the futures. Yep. But like I said, right? If you can trade one, you can trade them all. I don't care what it is. Somebody else give me something else to trade. We'll trade it right now.
Oil.
Oil. I'm on it. All right.
Coach, you're almost up to 50K likes already. Tonight's
oh, wow.
really busy over on TikTok.
I see that. Oil's not really... Oil's... Oh, wait a minute. Oil's not really moving, partner. You see it? This is not... It's not doing anything else. Somebody call out something else and I'll trade it. Yeah, oil's super slow right now. Somebody call out something else, I'll trade it right now. Well, we can go back to ES.
Come on, YouTube. Somebody write it in YouTube. Put it in the chat. What do you want to see?
Put it in there. Put it in there. Guess your weight, your age.
What about your favorite?
Step on up. Step on up now.
You want something crazy?
Yeah, you want to see something real crazy? Yeah, I love crazy.
How about weather?
Is that legit?
Yeah.
What's the ticker?
I can't remember. It's on the CME site, though.
Weather? I never heard of that. I don't even know what that is.
Yeah.
Whether or not you trade it because we don't know what the symbol is.
How about platinum?
Platinum. What's the symbol? PL. Yep.
Yeah, I would guess. Yeah.
Yep. All right. Platinum. Let's take a peek. Yeah, this is no volume either.
Yeah.
Now, remember, everybody, you can tell by, if you look, hold on, oh, yeah. If you look, you see how they're little dots? When you get those little dots and you don't get candles, that's because there's no volume. All right. Whoa. All right, let's get back to it. Bear with me. Take a second. Set up. Double top. There we go. Oh, yeah. Key area here, too. But that's all right. Now we're back up on the 9. There we go. Waiting to see if we break this 21. I can see it's been respecting it the whole time. But this is a major level of support that it bounced on. So this is actually on an upward trend inside of this extremely large channel right here. This is the channel. Everybody see it? Okay, good.
Nice channel.
Oh, crap. I just deleted all the damn lines. You son of a...
You undo.
Where is it?
Top left, I think. You just passed it. Top, right where your indicators are up top.
Right next to add chart left.
There you go.
Thank you. Yay! All right, you guys are my heroes. All right, so again, I like this to the upside, bouncing off this major level. Now, this is the thing. Nobody would ever see this ever. I'm telling you, unless you do this forever. This all looks downside, right? Everybody be like, oh my
Order
gosh.
filled.
No, this is all upside up in here because now I'm obviously super late to the game, but that's okay. This is an upward trend. I better have a stop. This is an upward trend off support moving back into this channel to the upside. Has it broke this 21 structure? Not 100% yet, but we'll see. But most people would never catch this move. And I mean in a million freaking years. Because it looks like down, 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 right?
Order filled.
Wrong, son. Right in your mouth. Now, could I go really small position to let this run forever? Yes, I actually could, but do I want to? Not necessarily. Would I recommend it? Yes. Is that right for my brain? No. Okay, good. Glad we're all on the same page. You're happy he has so many likes tonight than during normal? I always get 50,000 likes, just not that fast. I always get 50,000 likes. Usually, right, gang? It's almost hardly ever do I not get 50,000 likes. But yes, I appreciate it. That's why I've been moving it up, moving the needle to 100,000 likes, right? By the way, if you guys are watching over there on all the free stuff, do you guys like what you're seeing? I know I'm never on here live at night. Does everybody like this? We are live every day, by the way. I train every day from 9 to 11, every single day. I also we also have Mark that comes on every single day from 2 to 4 o'clock, trading futures. I trade stocks and options in the morning. And then Mark comes in and trades futures at 2 to 4. And then Dawn comes into our aftermarket, and she has an entire show dedicated through about the whole day and what happened and how traders reacted and what was going on in the market. And so we're live 3 times a day. So make sure you guys all click that follow right now, okay? Everybody click that follow. Do me a huge favor. Click follow, subscribe, all the things. Thank you. This is way better at night. Work does not get in the way. Well, I'm glad. I told my wife, right? I told everybody a week ago that I was going to try to pop in, try to do more, try to be more involved. So just trying to boost this all up. Pleasantly surprised. Yeah, good to see you, man. Yeah, right now we're just trading futures. I'm not really talking about stocks. I do that all day long. Okay, so let's look at this trend line and see if this breaks. Give me just one moment. You guys can see this trend line right here formed, right? Down, down, down. Waiting to see if this is going to pop here to the upside. Like I said, we're in this whole new channel here. You can see the 21 and 9 are closing. It's still respecting the 21. But I like it more up here in this channel than I do to the downside here. Even though it's down, 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 right? I like this right here. But again, if it broke through here, I'd flip the script, hit this thing to the downside. But I love this setup to the upside still here. Even though it was downside the whole time. We called it right here, right, gang? That spot. Isn't that what we said?
Yep.
So we're just waiting. Sitting here, sitting here, sitting here. Bueller. There it goes. That's nice. There it goes. That's nice. That's nice. Where do you get this kind of information, ladies and gentlemen? There's only one place you can go that I know of on the internets. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Mark, why are you in here? .com.
All right.
Thank you. Why isn't Mark in here? Mark, you going to get in trouble if you get in here? Probably. I don't want him getting in trouble, but now, didn't I say that this was support and it looked beautiful to gap up to this channel, which is all the way up here? Now, who told you that? Where would you have learned something like that? Anybody? Bueller?
ADT, coach.
Bueller. Now we're up here on resistance, so this is where I would actually look at shorting it.
There's only one place, coach.
Thank you. Now I'm going to go small off this, but I do like the short here. I'd like to see it tap a little. You know what? I'm going to get it. I'm going to go small. I'm going to put a stop here. But I like the short here. But coach, you said it was a long to the upside. That was 2 minutes ago. This is a different setup.
That's a 50% retracement opportunity right there.
It really is, with a huge candle. But this is going to try to fight up here in this level, right? That's why I got in a little early. I'll add if it pulls back. Otherwise, I got my stop in place. No harm, no foul. The stop's a little tight. Should actually be above this candle wick. This one. Because this is the new area up here. I really need to find those rectangles up here. If this pops this, I'm going to go long, fast to the upside. Watch.
Order filled.
I just flipped the script. You guys hear me say that all the time in live, right?
Yeah. Mark is going bonkers. He wants you to do gold. He's
All right.
here.
All right, no worries. I'll do it as soon as this pops. Give me 1 sec.
Believe how much ES is moving tonight. Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? Come on, get up there. I don't have all damn day. This is ridiculous. It's like watching a paint dry. Come on, just pop so I can get out of this trade. Do it.
Order filled.
All right, I'm out. Don't care. Anyways, that's going to drive for a while. Good luck. All right, I'm coming, Mark. All right, where's Mark at? Okay, we got up, and it popped back up above our key critical level, which was right here. We're above 3,000, so that's definitely good to go. And you guys remember our upper level is 3,001 up here. It's at 3,001.8 right here is the upper level of resistance, and we're ready to trade again. I'm with you, Mark. Let's dance. Nice. So we had upward trending candles here. We can see clearly right here is resistance on this. Let me mark it. Right there is resistance. But we are to the upside off of this move, the 200. I might get it for a quick pop if it breaks through this spot. But remember, this right here, this is the resistance. See it? But the 9 is right here, so that's nice. I'm going to go a little heavier actually here. I want to see this pull back to the 9. I'll go heavier. Hopefully by me waiting, I'm not going to miss this because this is trying to pop right now. Come on, come back to the 9. This is, I knew it. It wants to pop right here, right now. Damn it. This is going to run without me. I wanted it to come back. Come back. Come back. Just a little bit. You see how this wants to pop? Can everybody see it? I want this to come back to the 9. I'm going to go bigger. Why? Because my stop can be, oh, I knew it. This is getting volume. Do you guys see the volume coming in?
Mm-hmm.
That's nice. I knew it. It's just going to leave without me. I have to let it go. I wanted it to come back to right here for a better setup and then back up with my stop right here. I don't want to be way the hell up here in the clouds trying to scoop it up, even though I know it's small trending upside. Why do I know that? Let me show you. Right there. I feel like I'm playing Chutes and Ladders. We're just drawing stuff all over the damn place. Can you teach me from beginning to end? Absolutely. That's my jam. I teach a lot of people from beginning to end. Ask Mark, who's now your futures moderator. Never traded a day in his life. And now he's one of our moderators, our training moderator, who has the live show going on every single day and here from 2 to 4 o'clock. Right? Ask GC, who's closing in on $14 million. 2.5 years ago, he started with me, never traded a day in his life. Ask Jimmy, he's over $28 million. This is breaking structure. $28 million, never traded a day in his life. I've done it for a lot of people. Yes, I can train you from beginning to end. Ask Ange, who's inside of the room, is another one of our moderators. Never traded a day in her life, retired from her 9-to-5 job from the training she received here. Yeah, that was last time Jimmy got on here with us. He said he was at 28 million. I don't know where it's at now, but that was the last time he told us. Yep. Had another member hit 10 million this morning. He never traded a day in his life. Who taught his daughter, who never traded a day in her life. She's up almost $1 million. Now I've got GC teaching his children how to do this. Why do you look so different? Because I lost a buttload of weight over the course of 1.5 years now. How do I start? Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, scroll down, click join the Discord for free. Hey, ain't no way. Everybody always says that. We're at almost 200 million in profits here, just so you know. We are the most profitable stock market trading community that's ever existed. Ever. And I mean ever. Am I right, moderators, or am I talking a bunch of shit?
Do you want the truth or do you want the truth?
I want the truth only and nothing but the truth.
You can't
I
handle
can't
the
give that.
truth.
Oh, crap. This is pulling.
You're absolutely correct, Coach.
Thank you. All right, let's see if this can break the 9. Or, I'm sorry, the 200 here. They can't handle the truth. Love it. Waiting right here. Been here 2 years is true. Yeah, absolutely. Why would I lie? I have literally nothing to gain. Nobody's buying memberships because we make the most money. Nobody gives a crap. Trust me. I'm just saying it because the proof is in the pudding, right? You've also been a member since the beginning 2.5 years ago. It's the truth. Yes. Thank you for being here too, Ronnie. Appreciate you. Yeah, we went live August 1st, 2022. Gosh, that sounds so long ago now, doesn't it, gang? Crazy. Oh, hey, what's up, Valhalla? I got you. Yep. You've been here 2 years. It's also the truth. Yep. How reliable is this? How reliable is what, partner? We've got almost 300 viewers in here right now. Holy jermoly. That's pretty amazing. Yep, I see it. Thank you. I just now saw that message. Appreciate it. Thank you. See, a lot of you have joined. Now, listen, everybody that's joining the Discord, make sure right now, excuse me, everybody that's joining the Discord, make sure you guys click verify. Otherwise, check your email to verify. If not, the system will kick you off within 24 hours so you're not a robot, okay? It's just checking for bot accounts. How much to start to be profitable? 0. Start with nothing. Paper trade. Simulate trade while you are in training. What is going on here? What's up, Colossus? I'm just showing everybody how to trade futures. You have now walked into the fastest and largest stock market education company in America. I never stop working, coach. You bet. Yeah, this isn't your normal little kids that you guys are catching at night. This is the real deal. You've been watching me since November 2022. Thank you, man. I'm on my 50K combine right now looking at gold. Awesome. Very cool. I'm doing, I've got 5 150K combines through Top Step, not affiliated, that are all linked together. They're copy trading. So that's what I'm doing live in front of all of you right now. Yep. Just having some fun doing some trading. Oh, this is looking good here to the upside.
Order filled.
Love that cup and handle.
Yeah, I'm over here chit-chatting. Missing all the action, but whatever. Just having more fun than anything. Oh, look at what it did right there. It hit my 3001 and stopped. Did you guys see it stall right out? It went.
Order filled.
I'll just take it. Just got my first 100K with Top Step last week. Nice job. Congratulations. Nice. What is your strategy for training people? I have a lot of different strategies, but we train people literally 12 hours a day, 6 days a week if you're a VIP member. Yep. Did you guys see how I like this long to the upside, by the way? That was beautiful. Beautiful. Apex or Top Step? Both. I like them both. I have an affiliate set up for Apex if you guys want the deal. Tonight, I think, is the last night for their 80% off. You guys can use my affiliate link. But tonight, I'm just trading through Top Step. Actually, I need to check. I reached out to them again today. Haven't heard back. Because we do want to be a Top Step affiliate partner. And we will. As soon as they know, I just have to send them our message. Or as soon as they read our message, they'll see who we are. Bro, you trade like a market maker. That's because I've been doing this for 33 years. Welcome. Appreciate all of you being here. Just having a little fun tonight. Damn, we might have to get on here and do this again. What do you think, Ange?
Yeah.
People are digging it, man. They're like going crazy. Their thirst for knowledge. I like it. Hopefully it's getting quenched.
It's
They're
2
hungry
hours
for
past my bedtime.
Oh gosh, get to bed.
They're hungry for authentic traders, Coach.
Yeah, that's true. Most people are just trying to sell them a course or a Discord or some kind of nonsense, right? What do I think of the ICT strategy? I haven't seen it. I've seen a lot of people talking about it, but I try not to look into all these other, it just, no. I know what we have works, so I try not to blend a bunch of garbage together. Yeah, we have lifetime memberships. Yep. Thursday night futures. There you go. Tomorrow I'm going to stream from the Cybertruck. So tomorrow I will do a live stream from the Cybertruck. A little late for you, old man. Yeah, not really. I sleep about 3 hours a night, so this isn't really late. I try to go to bed around between 10 and midnight, but I'm always up by 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, so it doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. LOL, this is funny. Retail talking bad about retail. When did I talk bad about retail? I don't know what you're talking about, Heritage Fly. I think you're in the wrong place, though. You're looking for probably the kids. You'll find them. Just get on TikTok and keep scrolling. Just look for any kids in their basements, in their mommy's basements. You'll find them. Head over there. You heard Top Step don't do affiliate codes anymore. Yeah, they kind of locked it down, but as soon as they find out who we are over here, yeah, they'll do it. I'm almost guaranteed they'll do it. I'm not kidding. This isn't fluff. We are legitimately one of the largest stock market education companies in the country. I'm not just saying that. What do I think about XRP? I like it. Absolutely. I love crypto, man. I've been trading crypto for a long time. We have an entire crypto section you guys can get into.
XRP is the bomb, baby.
Yeah, I love crypto, man. I always have. Oh, as a matter of fact, which by the way, I still haven't set up. Check this out. Let Daddy show you something real nice. You guys want to see something real scary? Hold on. Bam! Oh, yeah. You like that? Huh? The ledger stacks. Can you guys all see that?
No, sir. Not in the Zoom anyway.
You can on the live. Check out the live. Yeah, the Zoom always blocks it out. Check out the live.
Cool.
Look at that. Oh, she's a beauty. Can you see it? I gotta set this up. Damn it. But you guys can all see it, right? Yes? Here, let me turn it on.
Yeah, what is that?
This is my ledger. This is my crypto storage wallet.
Huh?
Look at that. Whoa.
You got that weeks ago. You
I
still haven't set
did.
that up?
I know. I know it. Can you believe
What
that?
have you been doing? Working?
Stupid old man. Look at that. Can you guys see it? It's got its own display on it. All for crypto, baby. It's even got wireless charging. Look how tiny this thing is, right? Tiny. This thing's hot. You can stack a bunch of them together, hence the stacks. I do have an affiliate for this. You guys can get if you go over to our crypto area. Check it out. So, yep, need to set this up. For sure. It comes with this little magnetic wallet. Check this out. I know I'm a super nerd. Love this crap. Look at. Hold on. Look at this. Look at this little wallet. Come on now. Come on. You like that? Yeah, you do. Look at how small it is. It's perfect. Am I right?
Coach, remind me what that one's called. A ledger stack?
Yeah, stacks. Yep. Yep. Make sure you use my affiliate. You hear me?
I've got my Nano X for now. I won't own enough crypto to fill that thing up.
I got you. The only reason I wanted it is because I don't want to be staring at the little thing trying to key in the codes and crap, right? This thing, it's huge. It's in your face. It's the largest one they make. Protected by the largest in the industry, which is Ledger. That's why I got it. Anyways, do need to set that up though for sure.
I do dig that wireless charging though. So
Oh man, it's so cool.
Get one and just swap it over.
Yes, so cool. Yes. Yeah, it's a cold storage wallet. Best way to store your crypto for long term. Absolutely. You want to get it off of the brokerage account, right? You don't. Now, a lot of them, you guys need to check too. A lot of the brokerages don't let you take your crypto. It's just stored on their system. So that's why you want to look at brokerages where you can take it off, right? It's yours. Now, remember, you're not physically moving anything. You're just moving the data, right, to where it's at. That's all you're doing. You're not physically doing anything, right? But you guys can put it in a lot of different places. My account got breached for trading during news. I had 8,200 in profit on my funded. Oh, dude, that sucks. Sorry to hear that. Yeah. No worries. Glad you're here, though. What about hardware failure? You don't really have to worry about with these because remember, as long as you guys have the passphrase, you can still do whatever you want. It just stores all that. Yep. That's why you can't lose your passphrase, right? Don't lose that.
People seem to think that their crypto moves to the wallet.
Right,
It doesn't.
and it
It
doesn't.
just creates the keys.
Correct. That's correct. Yeah, that's why I
It
don't worry
stays on the
about a
blockchain.
hardware. Yeah, that's why I don't worry about a hardware failure. It
Yep.
doesn't really matter as long as I got the key, the passphrase.
Yep. And we teach all of that in the crypto membership.
Yeah, I love that. You guys doing a great job.
Thank you, sir.
So again, we're back up here in this upper channel. I know I'm not really trading a whole lot now. Listen, I've already made 356 contracted trades. I'm only up $2,000 or something, but I don't know. It don't really matter. I can't really pass all this today. Otherwise, I can't trade it tomorrow because tomorrow is actually technically considered tonight. So I don't want to blow through all this and then not have anything fun to trade tomorrow. I hate trading live now with my actual cash. Oh, crap. Because I ran into some situations where I leave stuff open and I forget about it and I end up losing my butt off. So this is kind of a cool way to do it that I can actually trade and not really worry so much about if I do something stupid live. You know what I mean? And be like, oops, I forgot about that. There goes 70 grand. Yeah, I see how it's only one trade setup. I was skeptical. What was that on? Yeah, I don't agree. Only a strategy thing, but it does work. I used it today. Which strategy works, partner? Oh, you're talking about the first 15-minute candle rule? Is that what you're talking about? Just casual? Coach, when are you going to trade crypto? We'll do that on here. Absolutely, we'll do that on here. Yep, for sure. Oh, look at this. This breaks below this 21. I'm going to enter short. But it did it over here too. See it? So I got to be careful. This is where people will try to short it here, get in a little too early and it'll pop. Best trading site. Thank you, Joseph. I appreciate you. Yeah, see right here? This is a fake out.
Order filled.
Fake out. See if we get a pop.
Order filled.
Nope. Now watch it pop. I will slap this thing. I will slap it silly if it does. Nope, it didn't. Okay, well, all right. So this is a real short.
Order filled.
I was going to say, I was going to slap the life out of this. You guys saw that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Come on. Oh, yeah. We're going to go real heavy off this move.
Order filled.
Yep. Max contracts 15 right here. She's a bleeder right here. Yep.
Order filled.
I'll take it. Why? Just because I got everybody here and I want to sit in it. But do you guys see that? Yeah, you did.
Perfection.
Just right there. Just take it right there. Just a little bit right there. We pulling it all.
Do you?
Somebody said you pulling it all nighter, coach. Probably not, but I'm kind of having fun hanging out with you guys. I love trading these prop firm accounts because, like I said, I like the gamification of it. Please, you guys don't treat it like that. But for me, doing this 33 years and seeing everything, trading everything, every market condition, every different type of brokerage account, I just like trying to pass their it's like trying to pass their exam. I like passing their exams. And then I always get overzealous and I put in 15 contracts and it goes pop, start the combine over. And I'm like, okay. Little silly. Don't do that. Treat it with respect. Treat it with respect. Treat it just like you would real money, though, right? Am I using any leverage? These are literally just 150K combine accounts, right? So this is simulated accounts till they let you, once you pass the combine and it goes to express accounts. I had 5 of them last week. I passed literally in 2 days. All of them, obviously passed, and then I just ended up popping the thing 3 days later. So don't do that. Treat them with respect. Treat them with respect, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's see what's going on here. We'll see if we can get a couple more trades, and then we'll shut her down. Appreciate, again, everybody being here. Thank you for all those double taps. Wow, we're at 70,000 likes. Appreciate it. It's a lot of people watching right now. That's nice. Thank you.
Hey, Coach, you've
Yeah.
got amazing engagement over here. They're really digging this.
Yeah, loving that. I appreciate that, everybody. Thank you. Thank you. Awesome seeing you at night. Great for the algorithm. VIP member. Oh, yeah, Hefe. What's up, man? The mentorship program is great. Thank you, Josh. I appreciate that. Josh is always asking really great questions, Josh. Good job. Always asking amazing questions in there. Today, he was asking me about the difference between W-2 employees and 1099 and what to do and how it works and what to look for. And listen, in the mentorship program, literally, you guys can ask anything you want, right? Literally anything you want. We're on here because of the late night sessions. Man, the Asian market is awesome. Heats up around 7:30. Yeah. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. Come back down in here if you guys can, right? 9 to 11 is when I am trading in the stock market live every single day. That's when we have all the bells and whistles and people going crazy. And I usually have between 400 and 600 people live every day with me, every single day between 9 and 11. Oh, it was our employee's first day on the job. It was a success from your insights. Oh, that's awesome, man. For sure. You can ask me every week, man. I'll anything you need help with over there. That's awesome. Are you using a bot? No, no bots. I would never use a bot. Bots are trash. Please don't use them. Oh, right here. This is looking good to the upside now. You guys like how I don't look at the chart the whole time, and then I look over and go, "Oh, did anybody catch that?" By the way, that's how my brain works. Did anybody catch it or no? I haven't looked at this chart in 4 minutes, and I looked over and goes, "Oh, this is a good spot." How to control emotion? Just from doing it a lot, I would say a lot of exposure to it. If you've been in it for a long time, you will kind of get through that. What's up, Ronald? Good to see you, man. Our future's always like this, sort of lagging. Yeah, because volume's not there. Yeah, so futures are a little bit slower. Gold is, it's usually between 7 and 10, 11 o'clock is pretty good. Oops. I will typically trade ES or NQ. That's kind of my jam. And the only reason that is because you guys see me trade SPY live every day, right? So I'm always trading it. Have to get ready for bed. Thank you, man. I appreciate you being here. Make sure you guys all click subscribe if you're watching on YouTube, please. We're trying to get up to 15,000 subscribers. If you guys are watching everywhere else, just click that follow button if you would. I appreciate that. If you guys are watching over there for the first time on TikTok, click that follow. I appreciate that. Just check in your area. Use Chat GPT, and you can find out which one's the best one for you. Hey, what's up, Liz? Good to see you. Good to see you. When are you coming back? Good to see you. It's been a little bit. Got to go to bed? No worries, man. I'll see you in the morning. Good to see you, Josh. I'll be wrapping up here in a couple minutes. Oh, I like this setup. I'll be wrapping up here in a couple minutes. Did you guys see up here on this resistance pullback? Now we're floating right here below this 9, which means we're going to gap.
Order filled.
Down. You see it?
Order filled.
Yeah, you do. I'll just take a little dabble do you here and there. I'll just make $100 every couple of minutes. How's that sound? Times 5. 5 accounts copying each other. Tell them. Our discount on futures memberships offer code is Mark. Oh, okay. If you guys want to take 25% off of the futures membership by going to AmericanDreamTrading.com, put in the discount code MARK, M-A-R-K, to take 25% off your first month. Check it out. How has my trading strategy evolved over the years? Listen, I did all the same thing you guys were doing, right? I was buying and holding, and then I was doing swing trading. And then I got with a bunch of extremely intelligent people who were doing it all the time. And then I moved into day trading. And then, of course, I got really heavy into covered calls, cash secured puts, wheel option strategies, strangles, straddles, some butterflies, a little bit of condor action when the stuff was kind of sideways. I was all over the place doing all sorts of stuff. And then, of course, when I wanted to start training people, because about a decade ago, everybody just kept asking me, what do I do? What should I buy? How do I do it? So then I really got into the nuts and bolts. And then, of course, this is when I came up with like the 2-minute EWO strategy and some of the other stuff that we're doing now, just because it's kind of a progression through it here. Let's see here. So we had candle pullback, down, down, down. This is starting to look like it wants to pop back up.
Order filled.
Oh, that's a bad fill. The candle's not even there. You guys see that? I hate it when it does that.
It's one of the most frustrating things that
It
I deal
really
with.
is, man. It's like
I hate it.
look at this candle.
I feel like I'm getting robbed.
It really. I mean, look. Now it's there.
Coach, that's
Order
your
filled.
fees.
That's way more than fees.
Yeah, dude. I only
I've
bought
had it 2-3 ticks.
Yeah, I only bought 5. It ain't $62 in fees.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. But did you guys see how I saw this transition and boom, I said right here looks good to the upside, and you can see it clearly was starting to form this upside pattern again. So great, just joined. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Don't forget, you must verify your account. Everybody do me a favor. If you joined our Discord tonight, go in the stock lounge and just say hello. I will tell if you're verified or not. Legitimately, just go in the stock lounge and say hello. We will verify all your accounts right now.
I'm in there, Coach.
Oh, okay. Everybody stock lounge. If you guys are everybody that's joined us, go to the stock lounge. Just type in hello. If you guys are brand new, and we will make, there it goes. Lyles, you are verified. Ghost, you're a futures member. Of course, you're verified. Don't forget, use that discount code. Oh, it looks like somebody just got it. Ghost, was that you? Did you just take advantage of that? Nice job. Good
Leslie
job.
needs to get verified.
Who does? Let me look at it.
Leslie.
Now watch this, moderators. Doug, was that you?
Yes, sir.
Click on their name.
Miranda's on it.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, you can click on their name and click the X where it says not verified.
Mm-hmm.
Boom, verified.
Oh, I can do that?
Yes.
All right, cool.
Yeah, because remember, if they're talking, they're a human, right?
Sweet. I thought they had to do a
No.
email verify.
No. All that does is walk them through how to get to the rules verifier. If you guys see somebody talk, click the X, verified.
Copy that.
How much did I make on that trade? That was $100 times 5, so $500 on that click. You guys can see it pull back off of resistance, so this is now downside action. But we got a small double top here. But do you guys see right here? Tap, tap. I would wait now, though. If I would have caught that up here, I'd be downside. But now I'm waiting because this is still an upside setup, even though this is a double top pullback. This is still upside. How do I know that? Let me show you. See that trend? Up. All right, cool. I see everybody's coming in. Thank you. Good to see you all. Again, Ghost, congratulations. Just signed up. Are you in here? By the way, Ghost, as soon as you join us, literally as soon as you join us, Go to zoom.com, create an account. You can right now join us. You can literally pop right in here with us. On the left-hand side, you're going to see where it says futures, and it says futures Zoom. Click on that and you can join all of us with live microphones. You can be in here in the room with us, okay? What time frame do you typically look at while trading? If I am scalping, I'm looking at the 1 minute. If I'm looking at a little bit longer trade, I'll do our 2-minute EWO. Oh, there goes the pop. Now, do you guys see I said upside here? Yes? Okay, good. Glad we're all on the same page.
Good evening, Coach. I just got on. Yes, I saw an upside.
Oh, awesome. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. What platform am I using? Tonight, I'm just using Top Step X is what their platform is, which is actually just an interface on top of TradingView. Hey, what's up, everybody? Good to see you guys. Kev, you are now verified. Alejandro, you're now verified. Good to have you here. Oh, look at this nice upside pop. Ooh, that's beautiful. Look at that. That's nice. Look at everybody pouring in tonight. That's beautiful, man. I might have to pop in here more often. That's good stuff. Don't forget, if you guys use the disc, AmericanDreamTrading.com, just scroll down when you get there. You'll see all the pricing. One of them is just join the free Discord. Again, if you guys use the discount code MARK, M-A-R-K, you can take 25% off your first month of futures membership. No pressure. You don't have to. Just letting you know. You guys can use it if you want. Good to see you all. Right now, I'm trading ES, but tonight we've traded ES, NQ, and gold. I haven't made a whole lot of money. So far, I've only made 3, 6, 9, 12, 22 minus a couple, about $2,000 tonight. Only because there's 5 accounts copy trading each other. Win rate's about 56 to 62%. We're just doing small stuff. That way I can hang out with you guys while I'm trading or training and trading, right? Yep. Good to see you guys.
Isn't this, I usually don't log on in the evening. Isn't this unusual for ES, the sleep?
No, this is normal.
Is it?
Yeah, it's normal. Yep, because I usually trade it up to about 11:30. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, ES is always busy. It's everything else slows down. That's why I trade. ES and NQ. They're always hopping. Best time to trade ES. Technically, it'd be during the market, right? Because you don't have to pay as much for the contracts. But am I still with my wife? What? Yes, of course. Caleb, what kind of weird question is that? All right, right here. Let's see if this can break. Now, if this breaks this trend line right here, gang, look. This is a nice setup for downside. Everybody hear me? Look at this thing. I want to draw an arrow. Right there. See that trend line? We're starting to get a squeeze in here, right? Right in here. You guys see this?
Mm-hmm.
That's a pop or drop. It's starting to squeeze inside of this area. So
Coach,
just waiting.
Giovanni is saying he can't get into the Zoom. I just want to make sure that he joined the futures group. If you did not join the futures group, you will not be able to access the Zoom.
You can tell by clicking on his name, and it will tell you if he is a futures member or not, moderator.
That is a message for him.
Yep.
If he's not joined.
Yep. Thank you. Yeah, if you see him, though, legitimately, if you see him like in the stock lounge. So first thing is, make sure you raise your hand just by saying hello in the stock lounge. We can tell immediately what membership you have. You must have a futures membership to join our Zoom. Use the discount code MARK and you guys can get in immediately. Right here, pop or drop, right? Can I make this smaller? I gotta make it, there we go. This area. Everybody see it? Starting to squeeze inside of this. We got this trend line here. Not much room left. If this breaks structure off of this trend line, I'm going to hammer these puts or shorts down here. Right? I'm going to be
not in anything, right?
Yep. And if it pops right here, I'm going to go long because this is the squeeze and the volume will come in. Yes?
Makes sense.
It's just a real lot slower at night. How much does it cost? It's typically $250, but you can take 25% off, which I think it takes it down to $185. Correct me if I'm wrong, moderators. But
Pretty
the
close,
first,
Coach.
yeah, the first month would be $185 if you use the discount code MARK.
Now, is that just off the monthly membership, or can they use it on other time frame membership or futures as well?
I don't know. Moderators, is that for any time frame for futures or only the monthly? Is that quarterly, annually? Is that just first month? I don't know what it is. I don't know what they set it up. 25. Oh, 25% off of all payments. You guys could buy an annual membership with that and save 25% off the whole year. Oh, wait a minute. Bruno just said first month. So I'm, what did I say about this squeeze right here? What did I say?
Yep.
Oh, it's glorious. It's glorious. Come back down and then I'm going to buy you. I'm over here trying to get everybody where they need to
Order filled.
where they need to go.
Order filled.
That's nice. Wow. Didn't I say this was going to pop or drop right here, gang?
Yeah.
Oh, my. Where else can you learn this from, by the way? Nowhere else. Guarantee you're not learning this anywhere else. You got it. Nice name, Bad Influence. Love it. Do you recommend any demo accounts? Yes, I would recommend just using paper trading accounts for sure while you are learning. Yep. That was a trade. Yes. Why didn't you hold? For the simple fact that I keep talking to all of you and staring at you guys and making sure you guys are getting where you need to be. Kind of like how I don't ever get to make money during the day because I'm answering questions and helping people and not able to trade. It's the same thing. So if you want to know why I can't just sit there and make a bazillion dollars, because I'm trying to help you guys. That's why. But I'm showing you what to do, when to do it, why to do it, how to do it, what position size, why I came to that conclusion. And then you get to see it in real time, just like that. So you should be in it, Caleb, and you would have been able to make money, and you could have held on because you asked, why are you not still holding it? Because I can't sit there and stare at that and stare at my phone at the same time. Great. Thank you, Reg P says this is the best teacher in the business. I appreciate you. True, true. Thanks, Caleb. Caleb looking out. Caleb with the crazy questions tonight. Are you still with your wife, Caleb? You trying to hit on me? You trying to get all freaky deek? Come on now. Chill out. Calm yourself. Collect yourself, man. Be
Well,
cool.
Coach, that's a legitimate question with as much time as you spend in here.
That is true. And you know, I'm over here trading in my truck, right?
Oh, are you? You're in your truck?
Yeah,
Holy-
well, not today, but I have been. And somebody asked me yesterday, like, Coach, are you kicked out of your house? Tomorrow I am going to trade out of the truck, though. I was going to do it today, and somebody said, you should do it on Fridays. We'll call it Cybertruck Trading Fridays. So tomorrow I am going to be trading live out of the Cybertruck for sure.
Cool. And the weather's supposed to be nice.
Yes. Getting a nice little pop here still off of ES. I don't know if anybody's actually trading in here with me, but did anybody do that? Is anybody actually trading? I don't know if you are or not. No? Okay.
We're handling the traffic over here,
Yeah,
Coach.
yeah.
It's
You
going
guys are
bonkers.
you guys are I know. There's a lot. It's crazy for
Love it.
10 o'clock on a friggin' Thursday night. It's crazy. Hey, what's up, Lil Rojo? I see you on YouTube.
Brian says he's still in it
Oh.
over on TikTok.
Oh, wow. So be careful. You guys are coming. You're up on a double top here, partner, right? Just be cool. You're going to get a little bit of traffic here. Hold on. Let me show you. All of that right there. See it? Little bit of traffic there. So be cool. Still good for a little bit, but we'll see what happens. We had that nice squeeze right here, though. This was a beautiful, beautiful. If you guys remember when Jimmy used to trade in here, right? He used to call it the vortex. Do you guys remember that? Oh,
Yeah.
He would say, "Oh, it's coming in the vortex." This is where it would start to squeeze into that little area. Look at that pop. It's beautiful. Thanks. Just pulled $50. Oh, nice job, Brian. There you go. Did you? I assume you got into that squeeze I was talking about. Good job. You bought a lot of Top Step every time I blow up my account. Yeah, listen, seriously, just like when I'm talking about, oh, look at that pullback. Just like when I'm talking about with day trading, position sizes is everything. And that includes these prop firms, right? If you guys are trading the 50K, don't do more than 1 to 3 micros. Seriously. And when you get up to these 150K, don't do more than 1 to 3 contract minis, right? Let me show you. Watch how fast one mini can move. And we're coming back down here on support, but that's
Order
okay.
filled.
Oh, well, okay. There goes that bad fill again. But look, this is one tick with one contract is $12.50, right? So even on a large 150K account, you can see how fast those can add up. So seriously, you guys want to be making sure you're using small position sizes when you make these trades, okay? That's why you're blowing up your accounts, so you're literally just going in with too much. Small. I talk about it all day during my regular training sessions. Small position sizes will win the day and let them run. How did you get your green resistance line? All I did was I put a horizontal line on here. I clicked on it, and then I went up right here to the color area, and then I can color any color I want. Am I trading in gold? I was earlier, but this is ES. So right now I'm trading ES. Now, if you guys remember, this is that double or this top I was talking about right here, right? It ran into all this traffic and pulled back. Now, I tried to short this. I got a bad fill, but I would still be down 25 right now. This would be down. But again, I've got my stop loss set at 75, which is right now. Technically, it should be a little higher. It should be at 55. My stop should be at 55.67.
Order filled.
But that's okay. And the reason that is because I would want it just above these wicks up here. Right? Because otherwise it'll pop up, stop you out, drop back to where you wanted it, like it's doing right now. So technically my stop should have been just a little bit higher. Makes sense?
100%. Those wicks kill you.
Oh, they will. That's why you've got to, just like this. Let me show you. So these right here, all these little wicks, you want to be above that with a stop. And then, like I said, there's the pullback, but you want to be above those wicks. That's where I would have wanted to be when I was talking to you guys about it, but I'm not really concerned. Chris says it's going higher. What makes you say that, Chris? Because it's going up, right? That's FOMO.
But if you extend your trend line, you're starting to kind of.
Well, I mean, it's still, if you look at this trend line, right, it's still to the upside, but
Yeah.
we're all the way up on the highest level of resistance up here, right? Even though everything looks great and it's running to the upside, and this looks like a monster pullback territory to me at any moment. And again, this is where we'll hit the rooks, right? You newer traders. This is where you guys will get FOMO and think it's going to run to the moon, and it's not. This is actually wants to come down here. This can't break this level up here. This is going to knife drop like nobody's business. Which market data do I need to buy for ES futures? It's the CME group data. Mark says, I can't believe how many people that join me in the live futures at 2 p.m. are in here at night. I know, man. They're going to be looking for you now every night at 10 o'clock. See this right here?
Order filled.
This is a downside setup.
Mark, that's because everybody's dreaming ADT. As soon as it pops up, it kind of gives them an alert on their phone.
Right?
I was just texting my kid to ask him if I should leave the door unlocked, and I saw a lock. I'm like, what the heck?
You son of a... I was trying to move my stop, and it grabbed my stop before I had moved it. Did you guys caught that, right?
Yep.
I was trying to move my stop up here above this. You son of a... Well, it's still respecting this trend line, but this is a beautiful setup to the downside. Everybody's like, Coach, you're crazy. Yeah, I know. Crazy like a fox. But yes, trending up, 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 up. As soon as this breaks here, though, man, this is going to go nighty nights. This is actually a really good spot. Because if it pops, no harm, no foul. But if it drops, massive payday right here. If this breaks below this 21, I'm going to add to the downside. So I'm looking for the break of 556525, which is this green level. Everybody see the green level?
Yep.
That drops below that, I'm going to hammer this pig. Come on, baby. Right now. My gosh, look at it. I'm going to set it to break even in case it pops.
Order filled.
Yeah. I like that break even button. That's pretty nice.
That's cool. It's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, I really do. Then I'm not in here trying to dragging the bars all there. It goes. You son of a... Oh, this is heavy. Oh, my...
Order filled.
Gang?
That was going to happen.
Yeah, didn't I say it? Huh?
You just said it.
Damn it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby, light my fire. Come on, you got more. Hunzy. Oh, go crap. Oh, I got to watch out. Now look at what happened because I went 15. Look at the damage. Look at that. This is why I'm saying small position sizes. Small. Don't go crazy, coach. I'll put in a stop just in case.
Ham and egg in it.
Yes, sir. I don't care. It's a downside move. I don't give a crap. The whole world would think upside. I'm saying downside. This ceiling. This is a major level of rejection and resistance. But we'll see. It's still, if it stays above this 5565, I'll be in trouble. But I've got my stop. No harm, no foul. You live right now, coach? Are you asking where I live? I'm in Virginia. Damn it. This thing bought right at the bottom of this damn wick. Because I bought 15 one move, I can't really average into that area. So I'm stuck at that level. I do have my stop up here. Come on.
Coach, you got some volume coming into the downside, so you
Yep,
should
yep.
be all right.
Yep, yep. Getting a nice curl here. Come on, baby. All right. What is this you're trading? This is ES Futures. Coach, been looking for a while. Just want to say I appreciate you and your moderators. Oh, thanks, man. I appreciate that. Back to break even again. It did respect this 9 this time to the downside. So again, we get this break here. We could be in business, but we've got to come right here. It's got to break this level. Breaks this level, I'm going to be in the business. 15 contracts. This snaps right here. It will be $1,000. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. That pops at 21 to the upside. I'm going to kill it. Ooh, look at it bouncing. It's bouncing right there. Look at it bouncing right there. Look at that bounce right there, people. I'm going to protect this a lot more. Because you can see right here is resistance. 556575.
It's just stuck here, Coach. It's starting to get some movement down.
It is. It's just consolidating to hell.
Yeah.
Like I said, though, this snaps right here. This thing is going to be a nice bleeder for a quick 1,000 times 5. Be $5,000 trade. Just like that.
I'm watching the L2 and you're starting to get some interest a little bit lower.
Mm-hmm. Come on. Right here. Oh, ooh, it snapped. You see it snap?
Yep.
Order filled.
Nope, I'm out. Wow, look at the volume that came in. That came out of nowhere, right? Did you guys see that? That was
Holy
the
smokes.
that was it looked like it got caught in a mousetrap. It's like
Yeah.
And that's what kicked my ass on Monday.
That
I
was
think it was Monday.
All right.
that was literally the fastest candle you'll ever get in your life on ES at exactly when I had the first time when I had 15 stacked. For crying out loud. Did you guys see that? That was gnarly.
Yeah, the L2 went completely blank and then just shot out. It's like all the bid orders just went away.
It went poof. Hey, it
Can't
can
even
happen.
say it's top of the hour where it's shenanigans.
It can happen. It can happen. No, it's still up in the exact same spot. It still has not broke through the top. It's still, I don't give a shit. This is still to the downside. Everybody, it's funny, everybody online still like, it's to the upside. It's to the, I would not say upside until we can break through this area up here. I don't care. You guys are getting caught up in FOMO. We got to wait right here. So now that I'm not in this spot, I don't want to trade this, right? Now I'm, listen, there's 2 moves here. There is long up here or short down here. That's it. And you got to wait. Those are my 2 moves right here. Now I'm at the ceiling. Could short it here,
Order filled.
which I will a little bit. Tried to catch it a second ago, but damn, that volume just came just out of nowhere. Just right? That was nuts. By the way, luckily I had that stop in place. Because that thing was a freight train. Actually, I better put one in again. That baby was a freight train. Still sitting here up tops. 1038. After this trade, I'll take off. Thank you guys, by the way, for joining me. Tons of people in the room. That's so awesome.
you, Coach.
Yeah.
Thank you, Coach, for coming online.
Absolutely. We had a lot of people join over there. Did you guys see this? Look at our stock lounge, how lit up that thing is.
Order
Hey, Coach,
filled.
that candle respected the 21 on your indicators and TV.
Oh, did it? Yeah. See,
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
even have that up. I haven't even used anything other than candles.
Yeah, wicked right to the double top.
Order filled.
Good job. Right up here in the ceiling again. Got my stop in place. This is a good setup, though. I love that. I like this better than the other one because I'm closer to the ceiling off this. You know what I mean? There it goes. Yep. Come on, a little more. Coach is getting greedy. Come on. Coach is getting greedy. Don't look. Coach getting greedy. Don't look. It's below the 21. It did exactly what I wanted. We're down at our level.
You got orders stacking up at 55, 63, and 62.5.
Gotcha. Thank you. I set an order just to make sure I collect. Look at that. There's 875. Come on, baby. There it goes. Snap. Yes. Move my stop. Come on. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's what I thought. Who's your daddy? Mm-hmm. Move my stop. Only because it went flat.
Order filled.
I'll take it. 875 times 5. Yeah, baby.
That's your $5,000.
Yep. Close to, right?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Got me back. Look, those were down 1,500. Now they're only down $600. One trade. But that was the trade. And I told you, it's funny. Everybody over here on TikTok's like, Coach, that's going up. No, it's not. It's not at all. Now, do you guys see why I get paid the big bucks to do this? Yeah, you do. I told you. Don't get FOMO just because it looks like, yeah, it's going to run to the moon. My ass. No, it's not.
Coach, I wrote that donkey down after that top.
Yes, good job. By the way, drinking it caffeine free so I can actually try to sleep tonight.
On that note, have a good night, y'all. I'll see you in the morning.
All right, man. Thanks for joining us. I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
Yeah, you too. Thanks.
Yeah. All right, Doug, now you can talk smack about her. What were you saying?
She's very smart. She's intuitive. She's,
yeah.
learning how to
Beautiful
trade
human being.
futures.
Right. Oh, look at that. Sayad says, just made $1,500 with that. Thank you, Coach. You're very welcome. Great job. Yeah, the platform I'm using is TradingView, but it's the Top Step X, which is off of Top Step. It's their combine trading system. But it's just TradingView, right? That's all it is. Oh, nice job. Thanks, brother. Good job, everybody. It's daytime here, about to eat lunch. Oh, wow, nice. Enjoy that lunch. Will I start trading live at night? Will I? Sometimes. Are you live in the morning? Yes, I am. 9 to 11. I'll be in here every day. I'm always in here 9 to 11. And then Mark is in from 2. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, from 2 to 4. And then we have the aftermarket show at 5 every day. Yeah, I'm here every day. I've been here, gang, for a year, or I'm sorry, 2 years and 7 months, every single day in this seat. I have been here. I used to stream 16, 17 hours a day every day, and I'm not kidding. Hey, what's up? Yeah, good to see you. I see you, Orlando. Yep, I remember. Might have to move from 2 to 7. Yeah.
I just read that.
Yeah, for sure. Well, eventually, I mean, the idea would be to have futures runs long, just like we do with stocks and options, right? That would be the goal.
Mm-hmm.
What market did you just execute the trade on? This is ES Futures, partner. Yes, very beginner friendly. Yes, we can help you out. Oh, good job. Connor says you passed your second combine earlier this week. Nice job. I'll be back tomorrow. Yeah, no problem. You just made me $600 on my top step. Nice, Chris. But do you see though what I was saying, Chris? How everybody thinks it's going to the upside, but it's not. That's all the way up there on that highest level of resistance, which was actually a quad top, right? Coach, you need to get some rest for Cybertruck trading tomorrow. I know I will. I love hanging out with you guys. You know that. Appreciate everybody. Thank you for all the likes, the gifts, the follows, the subscriptions, the new members. How many new members did we get? I saw that one come in. Let me look. As far as paid members, I should say. Did we only get one new paid member tonight?
I'm not sure, but we've had an easy half dozen or more pop in like all at the same time.
Oh yeah. Go to Doug, go to member purchases. Do you have I don't know if you have access to that. You might not.
I don't have access to that one,
Okay.
I don't think.
Yeah, it looks like we gained about 30 new people tonight in the Discord. Yeah, it's one of the highest amount I've ever seen. Holy crap, that's a lot in one setting.
Killing it.
Yeah, one time frame is this? This is the 1 minute. How do you effectively use volume analysis to confirm trade setups? It really depends on where it's at and what it's doing, right? For volume. What time frame? 1 minute. Bro, is it possible to get 90 win rate? Yes, it is. I did it off the last combine that I did for 5 of them. How much is it to join? Right now, if you use the discount code MARK, you can take 25% off. So it's $185 for your first month. You can use 25% though across the board, I think, for any of the futures memberships. Just go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You get signed up. We trade stocks, options, futures, and crypto here. We are the largest and fastest stock market education company in the country. Google us, chat GPT us, look us up. Go to my YouTube. We have almost 2,000 training videos over there. Check it out. Thank you. You'll sign up. Yeah, absolutely. If you need help, let us know. Glad to have you here. I appreciate it. How do I join the Discord? AmericanDreamTrading.com. Scroll down. You'll see join the Discord for free. Why am I not seeing the same price movement on my top step ES future chart? Are you using a 1 minute? 1 minute? How do you come up with those trend lines, coach? Well, in this case, you can see right here, I was using the bottom of all these candles. See them right here? And the same thing here, I could use the tops of all these candles and wicks. Okay. And then we had that pop over here, which it popped at the upside. And then I said it was going to pull back once we hit the ceiling, which it did. And now we're on the pullback, right? How much capital do you need to start with? 0. I want you to start with 0 capital. You should be training with no money. Paper simulate trading only. Good to see you over there, everybody. I see all you guys on YouTube and Twitch. Appreciate that.
My messaging your zip cord. Yeah.
Yeah. Boy, we are busy tonight, huh? You trade break.
That math sheet, baby.
Yes. You trade break of structure with resistance and support. Yes. What are you connecting your trading view with, coach? Oh, I see you. Yeah, this is just Top Step. So it's their combine, which is using their Top Step X. That's why it looks a little different. Do I trade Forex? No. Yeah, if I'm scalping, I'm using the 9 and 21 EMAs for starters. There's a whole lot more to it, but I'm also watching the L2. I'm watching the volume. And it depends on what type of stock it is. Then I'm watching the average true range. And then, of course, support and resistance. And then I'm watching key critical areas across that, what it's doing, how it's forming, the patterns. I mean, I'm watching all of it. I've been doing this, gang, literally for 33 years, right? I have trained over 1 million people. Bro, people who are profitable at trading are hard as a rock. Yeah, it's tough. It's a tough business. This will test you mentally, physically, spiritually. I mean, this will test you like no other job on planet Earth. But guess what? That's why the reward is so high. Right now, I'm using a prop firm, but normally I'm always trading real cash accounts. I just started doing the prop firms because we just turned the futures on about, well, I guess it's been about 7 months ago now. So now we're going through all the prop firms for everybody. You have a negative RR. Yeah, it's minus $600 right now. New to this, can you explain support and resistance? Yes, support is on the bottom, right? So anything that's coming down to it, like the floor, is support, and anything going up to it is resistance. Treat that like the ceiling, right? Future or options, which one is harder? Options is harder than futures, but futures, you can get into more trouble because you're using a margin account, which means you can lose more than you started with, and options you cannot. Well, yeah, depending on what kind of options, but yes. 150K for M and Q. Is that okay, coach? Yeah, I mean, I would start with 1 to 3, but yeah. Where do I teach? I'm here every day, 9 to 11 a.m. Eastern. I've been here for 2 years, 7 months, every day in this seat, literally answering thousands and thousands of questions. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Coach, you're a really good person and liked very much. Thank you. I appreciate you. Yeah, we try to do a lot, right? So American Dream Trading, by the way, the foundation was based on people helping people. This is what we do. We've had a lot of cool fundraisers. We've given away about $2 million so far in products, services, giveaways, fundraisers, disaster recovery. I mean, name it, we've done it. Michael J. Fox, Wounded Warrior campaigns. I mean, we have done a lot in here, right? But me personally, about $2 million. No, I don't use the MACD cross at all. I don't use the MACD or the RSI anymore. Not at all. I used to. Do you mentor? I'm looking for a mentor. Yes, I mentor a lot of people, but I don't do one-on-ones. Not anymore. The one-on-ones is $6,000 an hour. There goes the pop to the long side on the break of the structure to the upside here. Let me look at this.
Order filled.
See if we can get in a little
Order
dip.
filled.
Little dab will do you. Oh, look at it. Keep stopping on it. Keeps trying.
Coach, to answer that one question, as far as the mentorship go, we have
Yes.
training mods that will get you where you need to go.
Yes, absolutely. And I have the mentorship program that's but it's a smaller group, right? It's about 30 people in my mentorship program, but it's not like you're thinking it's just you and I. No, I don't do that. I mean, I'm not to sound facetious or anything weird, but we're so far beyond that we help so many more people, right? Yeah, we do volume here versus, small. We are the largest stock market education company out there in America, right? That's why. Man, this broke to the upside, but then it just pulled straight back. But I still like it long, but I wanted a little more. There it goes.
Order filled.
Get out there.
I know, pop, right?
Pop. It's winding up. It's winding up to pop.
It is. It's trying. Come on, stay up there. We're technically at a double top right now, which is the only scary part. See it?
Yeah.
Let me move my stop. There we go.
I do too. Protect my trade, right?
Yeah, that's what I did. You see me? Oh, there we go. I'm moving it up more.
Yes, sir.
Order filled.
Boom, just took it. $1,000. Yep.
Stop me out.
Yep, that was a $5,000 trade right there, partner.
It's only $50 for me, but I'm happy about it.
Yeah, nice job. So everybody right there, that was $5,000. 1,000 times 5 across the board. Is there really much volume this time of day? It's a hell of a lot slower, but listen, you don't need tons of volume to make money. Everybody thinks that. That's not how this works. You need volume just for it to move. Volume is just volume is just buying and selling, gang. As long as it's moving a little bit, you can make money, right? It's just going to go slower, but you can still make money. So, this whole volume trading thing, no, you just need volume for it to move. That's all. If there's not enough volume and it's not moving, obviously you're not going to make money. But other than that, that's all you're looking at it for, right? This is ES. Yes, this is ES. Now, like I said, this is technically this double top right there. But we still got a piece of it, didn't we, gang?
Yes, sir.
Good job. Made me positive for the night after all my silliness. Let's see. Won't get filled, Doug. Yep. Thank you. All right, listen, gang. I'm going to wrap it up. I am going to be back in here. What time is it? 11. I will see you guys literally in 9 hours. VIP members, I'm always in here at 8 o'clock. I'm always in here at 8 o'clock. That's for VIP members. If you guys, again, are interested, go to americandreamtrading.com. Right? We've got regular premium memberships. You guys will get hot stock picks. We post those every day. The IPO Center, literally every day. The pre-market setup, where we give you key critical levels to start the day. You'll use that at the bell and throughout the day. You guys will be able to trade live with us with the regular premium membership starting at $125 a month for stocks and options, right? You guys will be with us every day starting at 8:45 until 4 p.m. every single day live, full open microphone. You can literally ask questions all day. We're the only ones that do that, by the way. You can ask questions directly with us. You can work with our other self-made millionaires and mentors in the room. If you guys get a VIP membership, it opens up a whole new world, though. If you guys are interested in any of this, though, on the left-hand side, you'll see new members start here. Just click on membership info, okay? If you guys go to the website, americandreamtrading.com, and you go below the pricing, it'll say, check our other products and services out. You'll see everything we have to offer. We have VIPs, VIP Gold, Diamond lifetime memberships right now, which, by the way, is 10K. You can get every membership we offer for lifetime right now for 10K. That's a 50K account. Normally, it costs $20,000. We have on sale today for 10K. Might want to check that out. But we've also got futures and crypto and mentorships and workshop classes and mastermind classes. I mean, we have everything here, guys. We're the one-stop shop. Yes, Connor, absolutely. Now, Connor, after I'm done, go back on YouTube and rewind this. the very beginning of this, I show you exactly how to buy these combines and how to copy trade them, okay? Connor Doyle? Just go right on YouTube. You'll be able to see the whole thing. The whole first 10, 15 minutes is me walking you through how to do the set up the copy trades and buy the combines if you guys are interested in that, okay? Are we oversold? Will we bounce back tomorrow? We'll see, right? The media, I've told you guys, has been trying to crush and drive the market down. Everything is positive right now. Everybody keeps trying to act like it's tariffs, so they're freaking out. That's not it. The media is slamming, trying to get the market to come down. Inflation is the lowest it's been in 4 years. Gas prices, the lowest it's been in years since the pandemic. Right? Egg prices are down $1.26, a dozen. Literally everything is lower now. Housing market prices lower. Interest rates lower. Everything is getting under control, gang. So stop freaking out about hearing all the BS on the news. I've been doing this a long time. This is nothing. Everybody be cool, right? All right, listen, I'm out. I'll see you guys in 9 hours. Thanks for joining me. Moderators, thanks for hanging out with me tonight, too. I appreciate everybody. Love your faces, guys. I'll see you guys in the morning. Be cool.
Real privilege, Coach.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for letting me have a little fun with you. That was a good time.